Let's run it, gang. What it do? Good morning, world. Good afternoon. How we feeling? What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is feeling good today. I see that. Oh, Nightbot's in the house. Nightbot was sleeping. What up, LeGrand? What up, everybody? Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning. Oh, who's that? Oh, too fast, too fast. Good morning, Xander. What up, Xander? Welcome back, welcome back. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. That guy TK's in the house. What up, TK? AB Mike. What up, AB Mike? Yeah, the whole crew is pulling in. Whole crew is pulling in. What up, Benjamin? Bink, bink. What's up, Rachel? Oh, PM Magnifico's in the house. Yeah. What is good? Let me do something here real quick. Zoom, zoom. All right. Lovely. Lovely. Zoom link has been sent out. We are good to go. Good to go. And all right. Perfect. All right. I think we are good. I think we're good, gang. How y'all feeling? Don't forget to record. We are recording, my friend. Sergio TT Bank Santos. What did you think? I fell asleep or something? Come on, man. Come on, Sergio. Storm Player's in the house. What up, Storm Player? All right, welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome. As you guys settle down here, give the stream a like for me, please, and give the London stream a like for me as well. Yeah. Did you see Raja took the same trade? Did he? I think. Yeah, I think I did see something. I think he took it a little lower than us, though, right? Yeah, he got a better price. Well, you know, he's a GOAT, man. He's the GOAT. Yes, sir. Good morning, Stephen B. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Crawler? Crawler? Is that how you say it? By the way, is that you that is making the timestamps on the videos? Man, we appreciate that. Thank you for making the timestamps on the video, making it easier for people to go back and look and get some education. And we really appreciate you doing that. You don't have to do it. I know it takes time, and you know, I thank you personally for hooking us up and making it easier for the viewers to go back and watch the stream. So thank you, thank you. But all right, cool, gang. Let's get started here. I think I am all set on my end. Let me just bring my tools down. Let's move this over so you guys don't have to look at that. And I think we are good. Yeah. What up, Y Breezy? Y Breezy. Good morning, Roses and Buds. Roses and Buds in the house. Nigel 123. Hello, Nigel. Level Up's in the house. What up, everybody? Oh, Mohammed, check prop firm. I just passed phase 2. Hey, W, bro. Big W. That's a great feeling. That is a huge accomplishment. So congratulations to you, man. W's. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Let's run this, man. Hero of the day. No sleep till Brooklyn. Yeah. What up, hero of the day? All right. All right, gang. Yeah, let's get it running here. Double check Zoom link. Oh, what happened with Zoom here? Hold on. Double check Zoom link. Okay, try that one. Try that one, gang. Try it out. Oh, hold on. Let me hold on, gang. One sec with the okay, that one's good. All right, beautiful. All right, cool. Let me reshare the screen here, and I think we're good to go. Thank you, Gotta Trade. Thank you. All right, perfect. All right, cool. All right, well, let's get started here. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. Today is Wednesday. It is the 22nd here of November, and it is inching towards the end of the month here. So we got another New York session ahead of us, and we do have some news in the way here today. We're going to take a look at it, see what we got going on. Somebody asked, hey Nick, pray before we start. That's all I need is that. Let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for this, Lord. We thank you for this opportunity to come here, do what we do best. We thank you for your strength, for your wisdom, your knowledge, Lord. I ask that you bless every person in this chat, Lord. Bless them up, and we just thank you, Lord. We just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, we're good. We're good. Let it be blessed. All right. Thank you. Who is that? Why Breezy? Thank you, Why Breezy. Thank you, thank you. Breaking, a trader that never sleeps. All right, gang. Well, we're blessed here. We're highly favored. We're covered. Let's get to it here. So it is Wednesday, the 22nd of November, and we do have a red folder here. Unemployment claims coming in on Wednesday this week. Not on Thursday, because Thursday is a major bank holiday. So we do not have anything going on in the U.S. markets here on Thursday. So unemployment claims is coming in today at 8:30. That's going to be the major news. And then all throughout the session, it looks like we've got some orange folders. We got another red folder here at 10. So should be pretty interesting. Crude oil inventory, so we should have a lot of volume. We had some volume there in London, which was pretty good, and we should get some more volume here today in the New York session. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here and see what we got going on, right? So let's go ahead and start with the weekly time frame and see what's going on here. So taking a look at the weekly, right? We are in this uptrend here. So notice that we created a support, right? Created a support. We also had a pretty nice exhaustion wick from the downside. Created that support, and price had moved up, right? Now we broke through all this right here, right? All this junk right here. We blasted through it, and price moved up. And what did we do? We created a high, right? We created this high right here. And what did we do after that? We came down and we created a new support level. So now we have a new support level, and once that support is formed, there's a high chance now that not only will we retest this high, but we will continue up to make new highs, right? So that's the potential opportunity here in the week. Now, again, it is a short week. It's a 3-day week here, or really 4, but you know, Thursday is going to be no volume, and Friday I'm sure will be pretty slow volume. So this kind of is the candle, right? The end of the weekly candle. So, you know, we did tap into that resistance. So the candle did do its job. We tapped into resistance there at 2006, and now we just have to see, can we move up? You know, can we actually break the highs and continue moving up? And that's going to have a lot to do with the daily and the 4-hour time frame here. So let's delete this. Let's stretch it out here, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here on the 4-hour chart. So as you can see, we do have a support that was formed right here. We also do have a resistance, right? And we did close above. Therefore, we should fill the wick and most likely break this high, which is the previous daily high here. So if we do break that high, you should see a lot of volume come in. We're in this move up here during the London session. We never did break the high, right? We came back down here, created a new range, and this is where we're at. So let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame here. You have a resistance right here at 222, and you have a support right here at 1999.711. So that's the current range you're in. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30. So 30-minute time frame is pretty choppy here, right? So got a support. We got to move that resistance up a little bit here, and this is pretty much what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and take a look what's going on to the left-hand side here, so we can act accordingly. So you have a new resistance up here. Let's go ahead and take a look further if we can. All right, let's see. All right, let's mark this off, and let's go back and let's take a look at the daily here as well. Yeah, so if we break those highs, yeah, we're probably going to come up in this area somewhere if we do break the highs. So I think let's measure the range here. We've got about a 27, about a 25 to 35 pip range here to fill wicks during high times of volume. So we'll see what happens when we get a closure, or if we get a closure. As of right now, things are a bit choppy. I don't like sells below here. I think I'll be looking for my sells below the daily low here. Yeah, below the break of that low right there. And that's going to be it. I think the 4 hour here today is going to tell a big story. The closure here on the 4 hour. We have 1 hour and 45 minutes left for this candle to close. But I do believe if you break the high, you should come up and fill the wick. So that means if we get a closure at like 8 or NY open or something like that, then we can go ahead and fill that wick probably pretty quickly here. So we'll keep an eye on this resistance. But that's pretty much it on gold today, man. There's not much to really talk about. You know, sells below here aren't good at all on a bullish day. I'm not going to take those sells. I am just going to wait for the daily low to break, and if we do break that daily low, then we may see, you know, this candle fail to break the high here today and close bearish, right? Because, you know, we are at resistance right here, so we could potentially see something like this, right? So anything could happen here today, man. We're in the markets. We're in the battlefield, so anything could go down. So we're going to be prepared for both buys and sells here today. Yeah. Oh, amen. Amen's in the chat. Hallelujah. All right, so that's pretty much it. Right now, we don't really have much going on here on gold. Nothing to do. Nothing to really, you know, trade here. So just gonna wait. We got 15 minutes left on the 30-minute candle. We'll see how we close. It's a bit choppy here on the 30. I really would like to wait for a 1 hour closure here and be able to fill that wick. So, you know, at NY open or gang, we wait for unemployment claims to come out if there's nothing pretty, and we just sit tight, wait on that 4 hour candle. So that's it. That's the plan today. That's the plan today. So let me just put buys above 2003-800 and sells below 1995. Oh no, 1996. Yeah, not going to touch anything within this range. Yeah, we have a nice clean range coming down here if we do end up closing below 96 here today. Yeah, very clean range. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah, that is the those are the vibes on gold here today. Just gonna be patient. I think we may range a bit until news comes out here at 8:30, and then once it does come out, then we will have some better direction. Let's clone this guy, bring him up, and get rid of him. All right, cool. Yeah, man, that's it. That's the day. That is the day. Drinking wine? Yeah. Drinking some Mountain Valley spring water. Imagine I just had a big bottle of wine up here. Holy. I'm new to your channel, bro. Hey, welcome. Welcome, my man. Welcome in. Hey, if you guys could like the stream on your way in here today, that'd be just incredible. Like, absolutely amazing. Yeah, we're pretty bullish here on the day, though. Like, daily wants to go, but we failed to break that high there. So we'll see what happens, man. We are also approaching. Right, let's get rid of everything real quick. We're also approaching this this resistance here at 2000. What is that? 2006, right? So, you know, we got to be aware here. This could be a level of rejection where price could end up, you know, moving bearish here today and setting up for next week to drive back down. Right, that's what price just loves to do. Come up, create lows, come down, or come up, create highs, then create lows, come down. So we have seen that happen here on this daily chart. If we kind of look back, right, you got a support, you came up, created a high, came down, created a new low, came up, created a high, low. We may come down here, right? May come down. So at this level of resistance, come down, create a new support, and then we blast through it next week or something. Did you add the W to the London to the monthly record? I think we did. Yeah. Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, I think we added everything. Yo, good morning, Rafi. What up, homie? Homie. New here? Hey, how you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. All right, let's bring that back. Give me one moment. I still got my hood on and everything. Didn't even put my hat on yet. Cracking excess too. Perfecto. Too good. I was gonna ask a question. Go ahead, ask a question, brother. Ask it. Ask it. Dump the office for the gym. Let's go. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? Where y'all at? You guys don't have a holiday tomorrow, do you? Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Yeah, you guys don't have a holiday tomorrow, right? Outside the U.S.? Hey, good morning, Alan Forex. Classic Traders in the house. What up, Classic? How you doing, brother? How do you add the pip counter to your trading view? I don't have it on my trading view, actually. It's just part of my overlay. So I added it to the overlay here. Oh, amen. AB, thank you, bro. Amen, brother. It's done. It's done. Can you review the London trade? Yeah. Yeah, we could review the London trade. Yeah. Yeah, let's go over it. That was right here, I think. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so basically this was the trade here. So we had our charts marked up, and we were looking to take buys above here, and same thing with how we're looking today, right? Sells below 96 here. So that was our range here. Price had created a support here before we got on the chart. That was like 2 hours prior to us getting on the chart. So, you know, we weren't there, but when we did come, we had this candle right here. So this candle was moving up. We had created support. We also had an exhaustion wick to the downside. If you guys see this wick right here, nice rejection. We had a very strong bullish bias here during the London session to potentially fill the wick. The 4 hour was very bullish. I'll go to that in a second, but the 4 hour was bullish, and we were looking for our buys above here. So pre-London came in. We got a candle to close, and we took our buys, I think, like right about here. So stops are kept below the previous candle, and price moved up, tapped into, you know, the area in which we were looking for, and that was it. That was the trade. Yeah, we moved up here, and I think I closed. I think I closed most of my position right up. Yeah, right up there on that wick there. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. 4 hour was very bullish. We were looking to fill the wick there on the 4 hour chart. So this was the 4 hour candle we're talking about. So we're looking to potentially fill that wick. Right, you had this candle now closed above, which is good, but yeah, this candle right here, we were looking to see if we can get up there, but we fell shy just a bit. Yeah, closed half at closed half my position at 10 pips. It was like I closed that like 2 minutes before the 1 hour candle close. So I just wanted to close partials at that closure, and then the next 1 hour candle took us up. It actually closed bearish, but it took us, you know, up to our target there. So yeah, it was good. Yeah, closed half at 10, and then another half around 20, and I think another half around 30. Yeah, just close half, close half, close half. Just a close a half type of day. That guy TK. Oh, what up, Shad? Shad's in the building. Good morning, bro. Good morning. What was the entry based? It was, the entry was off the current candle. Yeah, this was the trade right here. So it was let me go to November here. It was goal, it was a buy, it was a breakout. It was off the current it was off the current candle high here. So current candle high off the 30-minute time frame. Closed half at 10, and then, you know, the majority of the trade at 30. Yeah, I think we went a little bit more than 30 and then came back down. Yeah. What up, Green? Good morning, bro. Greatest job ever. Hey, it really is, gang. Look, I'm a little crazy, man. So, you know, I go over to, there's a Wawa down the street. For those that don't know, a Wawa's like a gas station slash like quick snacks, and they can make food there and all that good stuff too. And man, I just went over there this morning, and sometimes I do that to go really just practice gratitude. And, you know, I look at all the people, you know, I'm a people observer, and I look at all the people coming in and out. And, you know, I know that they're getting ready to go to their job, and I'm thinking, damn, man, like if I never switched my mentality, I'd be doing the same thing. You know, if I didn't have opportunities presented and took advantage of them, I'd be doing the same exact thing. And, you know, it really chokes me up, because freedom is so important, gang. Like, it's so valuable, but it always has to be protected, bro. It always has to be fought for. So, you know, it makes me emotional because of what freedom really brings. And man, I just, yeah. Yeah, I go there and I just get super grateful, knowing that, you know, I'm doing what I love to do and having a blast doing it, you know, and free. So which is the main thing. GBPJPY, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So looking at the daily here on pound yen, yeah, pretty bullish. We did create support, and 4 hours moving up here as well. Looks like you did get a nice closure above on the 4 hour, but yeah, we're starting to move pretty bearish though. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, so if you create a support here now on the 1 hour, then there's a high chance we'll move up, right? And notice how this candle never had a top wick here. So if we can create support, like look what happened when we created support here. We just moved up very nicely. So if you do create a support right here at this 186.480, then I think that there's a high chance that these buys will play out here at NY Open, right? Price will move up and retest that high there. So I think there's a high chance that we will move up on pound yen if we get a closure and a support formed here, because we are very bullish. The daily is very bullish, and that seems to be a nice play. So you already did get it on the 30-minute. Now let's see how the 1 hour closes here, because there's volume coming in on the 1 hour here. So 54 seconds for a 30-minute closure. Let's see what we do. Yeah, but we should retest these highs here. Tomorrow we trade London. We're trading London every day. No. Yeah, I might come to London a little bit more. We'll see. What up, Vant Trading? Good to see you here, brother. How we feeling today? I wouldn't be trading oil today. It's a yeah, we got some news out here for oil today, right? Yeah, no oil, no oil. All these streamers need to get together for an annual summit to settle the beef. They got beef. Oh, damn. The only beef I got is that ground beef, baby. And those ribeyes. That's the only beef I be eating. That New York strip, eh? What up, Sandman? Sandman in the house today. Sergio TTE Bank Santos. Yo, I told my wife about your name because my wife is Dominican. And she giggled. She laughed. Feeling blessed, brother. How about you? Oh yeah, man. Same. Blessed, highly favored. You know the vibes. Man, I just spent about an hour in Acts chapter 10 and just seeing how God worked through Peter and Cornelius and just meshed the whole Gentiles with and just added us into the mix, man. Wow. Whoa. Transformed Peter's heart, man. Just like he did with Paul, right? Sometimes God can transform a sinner's heart. The way he can transform a sinner's heart is the same way he can transform a saint's heart, man. Yeah, don't let that go over your head. All the preachers out there. All my preachers. Because he's still got work to do. Still got work to do in you. Yeah. Ground beef. Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Dennis? What's good? Yeah, I took a nice walk here, man. Forgive me for being a few minutes late here. I was watching a nice Tampa sunrise and just couldn't get my eyes off of it. Shout out to Peter, man. Shout out to Peter. Shout out to Pete. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What are we doing? Still looking at news here. Yeah. What's up? What's up? You're not that guy. Don't spam. Tell him, level up. Tell him. Tell him, bro. You're not that guy. No spamming. If you haven't, go read the... Oh, yeah. You liking the book, Vant? You liking the book? Yeah, I heard it was a good book. Amazing, yeah. I watched a podcast. I think it was on the B Trader. For those of you guys who never watched the B Traders podcast, those are a lot of the videos that I'm talking about. How, you know, my professionalism and professional approach I didn't always have that. Like I was gambling for a long time in the markets, but once I stepped into really studying like stock traders and futures traders and guys that were more on the professional side of things, you know, they worked on trading floors. That's really where things started to shift in my mentality and my mindset. And a lot of the videos on the B Traders YouTube channel helped me out big time. You know, just seeing normal guys, you know, doing, you know, just kicking butt in the markets and giving you the real expectation, the real mentality behind this, not just you know, flashy stuff. You know what I mean? Good morning, Nick. How was your morning, sir? My morning has been fantastic, man. I've been up since I've been up what, almost 7 hours I think now at this point. Yeah. Yep. But yeah, let's take a look at NAS 100 here real quick. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, we streamed the London session last night. For those that missed it, we had a great time in there. We had some quality conversation, that's for sure. Some quality conversation. Let's take a look at NAS 100 here. Let's just look at the weekly. So the weekly has pushed up quite a bit now at this point. So we are, oh man, look at that. We're on a bullish rally here. Sheesh. So yeah, you did get a close above that resistance here as well. So I think we talked about this earlier on this week that we should be able to drive here. I think if we're gonna drive, we got to do it today, because tomorrow's a major holiday here, and Friday is probably a little wishy-washy. But let's see what happens on the daily here today. So taking a look at the daily, we obviously have a support right here. We also have a resistance right here. And this is the range that we're currently in. So we did close bearish, right? We did close bearish. Let's go ahead and look left just a little bit here. Let's go ahead and see what this is right here. And go back. Yeah, it's still closed below. So we're gonna use the fresh resistance here for our analysis here. So we did close bearish here, so you may see a drive down here today. We are pumping up though pretty nicely. This could just be a top wick, so as long as price respects the previous candle highs here, at any point this candle can start driving down, and this could just be the top wick for a move down to see if, you know, price can close, let's say, below support, or, you know, at least look to retest that support if we break those lows here. So that's what we can try and plan out here on the lower time frame. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours moving up pretty strong right now, right? Pretty heavy move up. Let's mark this off. We got a support here. We also have this resistance. That's the range we're currently in. If we're creating the support, then there's a high chance we will retest that resistance. Let's go take a look at the 1 hour here. 1 hour is moving up nice. No bottom wicks here, eh? No bottom wicks. Anyone trying to trade Nasdaq here, the way we trade is just sitting tight, I guess, watching price. But you do have a really nice clean move up to the left hand side that you should pretty much retrace here. So I'm expecting this candle to tap into this level of resistance, and then we may reject from there. So we may reject, we may push through it. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, 30 has a resistance here. Let's keep an eye on it. I think if you're gonna take buys here, I think we need a pullback, man. I think we need a pullback on the 1 hour. So yeah, we'll see what we can get. Let's mark that support off here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, if we close back below there, then there may be opportunities for sells. But if we don't, and we create a support somewhere down here, we will look to sample size a position to go long here. Cool. So that's that. Those are my thoughts on the Nasdaq right now. We're just gonna follow candles here today. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. But 1 hour is calling for a pullback. If we can get a pullback and remain above this like 15,957 here, then that'll be great. We'll look to take buys. But if we do close below, then there's a high probability, just like last time, that we'll move down here. You got a nice clean range here as well, so we'll see what happens. Just have to wait and see, baby. If you're in buys right now, hey, cheers. Cheers. It's a good Wednesday. What's the plan for Thanksgiving? I'm going up to like 45 minutes from where I live, and yeah, going to my brother-in-law's parents' house, something up there. Yeah, should be a good time. Oh, nice. Oh, bullish. Yeah, bullish. Yeah, that's why I love Van trading. That my guy does the deep research. The deep research. Kid's a stud. He's a stud. What up, Beast? How you doing, bro? Hey, Dino. What up, Dino? Dino's back. How you feeling today? How do you deal with frustration constantly of not getting it right? Getting what right? Are you talking about like getting the trade right? Oh yeah, that Thanksgiving dinner is gonna be a banger, eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Buy or sell, man. You know I goof on you guys a little bit, right? Whenever I'm doing a simulation with someone, I always go buy or sell. Come on, but come on, I put the pressure on them, man. I put the pressure on them. I say, come on, coach. What are we doing? We buying or selling? Yeah, I make them do the simulation, and I just nag them and nag them and just keep nagging. Oh man. Thoughts of fair value gaps? Yeah, man. Look, we got a fair value gap right here, bro. Beautiful, right? Is this a fair value gap right here? Let me know. Let me know if I'm correct, Amundo, or if I'm incorrect. Is that a fair value gap right here? Yeah. Yeah. So I love you guys know I love fair value gaps. Right? I love that. That's where I want to trade. Right? I just call it clean traffic. I'm going to start hitting y'all with the FV. What is it? What is it? I'm hitting y'all with the FVG, son. Yeah. Yo, we got FVG right here. Yeah, nah, you know, it's same stuff, man. People got, you know, everyone wants to, like, claim, like, this guy's the inventor of this, and this guy's the inventor of that, and then they beef and stuff. It's like, yo, come on, man. Like, the market gives us this stuff, man. He calls it this, she calls it that. I mean, it's all the same stuff. Zero strategy. Blah, 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 blah. Twitter, all this stuff. Like, damn. Holy. Good morning, Alexandru. Nick, do you come in the London session? Yeah, this London session I did. I pop up rarely. It's a surprise pop-up. You always got to be on the lookout. Yeah. Oh, let's see what we got here in the... Oh, TK just popped up in the signals chat. Oh. Yeah, TK, you need a rest, man. You're a 24/7 guy. You need some sleep, bro. Come on. Trying to outwork us all here, bro. TK's on the clock 24/7. Webcam's blurry. Is it? Hold on. People fighting over strategies. Could you imagine that? Holy moly. What do you do in your free time? Out here in Wakanda, we keep those things private now. You know, every day's a little bit different for me. They all start off the same, but then they kind of just take on. We just go with the wind pretty much. After typically after like my workout session, which is after the live streams, then it switches up every day. So typically we're probably doing something with the kids, or my wife is doing something with the kids and I'm doing something else. We go to the pool, we hang out. Yeah, we go to the mall and stuff. We go out to brunch. We just whatever the day really brings us. Yeah. Yeah, but every day for me begins the same and ends the same. But what goes on in the middle is kind of up in the air every day. Yeah, I have the same day every day up until like 2 p.m. And then 2 p.m. comes around, and then we're pretty free doing whatever we want to do. Bring out the whole stay awake. Yo, hero of the day. Don't fall asleep. Don't do it. Name of the day. Where's the guitar? Yeah, maybe I want to pick up some guitar lessons or something, so I could just play it right here on the live stream. Just go ham at like 8:45 every day. What's the name of the strategy? Oh, come on. You fell right into it.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Zilch. Zippo here. We just wing it. We just punt. We're built different, man. We're built different. Who needs a strategy? Oh, Sandman likes playing the guitar? Oh, yeah. I want to learn an instrument. Is that Joe Biden? Yeah, so 12 minutes here for NY Open. 30-minute really didn't do much, just consolidating still. 4 hour is not really breaking the highs just yet. I think we need some volume to come into the market. And yeah. Oh, Sam Capital's back. Sammy boy. What up, Cam? How you doing, man? Oh, man. Sam is back. Shout out to Sam Capital. Stay with us for London session tonight. Or last night, or whatever, this morning. Yeah, appreciate you, man. No strategy, no alarm clock, just sun. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it, Sam. Let's get it. Nick, I have 2K in funds. I would like to buy a 400K challenge. What is your suggestion? 2K like 2K? Like you got 2K, or like you got 2K to play with? Like you got 2K, or you got 2K to you know, like which one is it? Because that has a lot to do with the answer. Thank you, Cam. Appreciate that, man. Good to see you here too today, bro. Welcome, welcome. Did I see you in London? I think I seen Cam in London, right? I think I seen you pop in there and say hello. Maybe I'm mistaken. I'm pretty sure I did though. 2K, 2K, 2K. Who asked that question so I know where to look for the response. Oh crap, where'd it go? Oh, Muhammad. Yeah, you don't have to answer in the chat. But yeah, I mean, if it's 2K, like that's what you got. I probably wouldn't buy a 400K challenge. I would probably try and save up some more money. You know, save up some more. That way, there's not a lot of pressure on you. If you have 2K to play with, then yeah, absolutely. I think it only costs like 1,400 for a 400K. Yeah, so absolutely. If you got 200K to invest, then yep, definitely. Oh, nice job, Cam. Yeah, nice. Caught one in London too. Beautiful. Nasdaq, or let me guess. Nasdaq buys. Yo, shout out from India. What's good? No food, no water, no nothing. Yeah. Oh, Rafi's in the house. Yeah, let's see what Rafi may have to say about that too. Because you don't want to put unnecessary pressure. I mean, pressure is a privilege. But you know, you gotta be very strong. You gotta be very strong with that mentality. Let's do this. We got Rafi in the house bright and early. Let's go. The lights are on you, my friend. Let me unmute you. Hold on. All right, there we
go. Yo, good morning.
Good morning,
How's
sir.
Chat doing? What's going on, Nick?
How you feeling, brother?
Man, how you feeling today?
Fantastic,
I'm feeling blessed, bro. Feeling good.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Go watch the intro. Y'all know how I'm feeling today. Cause it's Wednesday. We got Thanksgiving. We grateful. We're doing big things out here, man. We got big Thanksgiving turkey plans here tomorrow. I'm excited. Excited to eat.
Better thing to do.
As Tate would say, you're excited to eat? Man. How was what?
Ready to eat pips, ready to eat knowledge, ready to eat food. All of it.
It's always TTE, man. Always time to eat.
Yo, I have a question for the chat here.
Talk to him.
Who has not signed up for the boot camp? Who has not signed up for the boot camp? Because a year from now, you're going to wish you did it.
Buenos dias. Yeah, the boot camp, man. Boot camp's going to be really fun. We talked a lot about the boot camp in London on the London stream too. Yeah, we're excited, man. First boot camp. We are ready. Hey, come to Pakistan. Me and Rafi are going to pull up to Pakistan.
I'm down for that.
We'll go see Raja. Yeah, how's the day going over there, bro?
It's been good. The internet has been a little difficult today, but I think it's all sorted now.
It's choppy over there in Bali.
That, bro, just yeah, sometimes it gets weird. I don't know if it's the weather or I don't know, the connection around here. There's a lot of construction, so sometimes people like hit on cables and stuff, and yeah, but hey, we're good now. We're good.
Good. He's back in the vault. He's in the vault and ready to go.
Back in the vault. Yo, where's John? Is he okay?
Johnny boy.
He's still sleeping?
Yo, man, sleep stops got activated last night, and dude still got runners, bro. Man still got runners.
That's fun.
He'll be here. He's in a
the
big
next hour or so. He'll be here.
Oh, damn. He's in a big trade. Man down. Yo, we got a blader.
Literally.
Yeah, you were in the London stream, weren't you? I think, did I see you in there?
Yeah, no, I was there, but like I said, you know, I just kept like getting out, get back in.
Yeah.
It'll get just
Internet
frozen,
shaky.
and it was just hideous.
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught the move with you guys, so I was eyeing the same thing.
Beautiful. Yeah, if you didn't catch it where we took it, I think there was another opportunity right here on the break of these highs here for price to move up. You had like a 1 hour celery play that wasn't too bad. I don't know if I would have took this though. There was a bit of resistance, you know, all the way up here. So I think I probably would have let that one go. And I think the trade that we took was the trade of my day, right? The best one for me. So yeah, but there was also that opportunity right there off the 1 hour. It looked pretty good. Worked out well.
Yeah, that's what I was looking. I was looking probably for a retest of that high before we even do anything to the downside. That's what I was looking at for. So it played out just nicely.
Yeah, the main idea out of that trade was that this 4 hour candle here would fill that wick, right? So we didn't, you know, we secured profits, I think, right around this area here, 2005, like 700. But yeah, we did close above the most nearest resistance here though, so that's not too bad. So we should drive up. We may get like a 4 hour celery play a little bit later too. But we did close above, you know, this, oh, my bad. Hold on. This level right here. Let me switch the color here. So you've got pretty clean candles now moving up. And I think we could, so that this wick here also is the previous daily high. So I think if we could break that wick, you know, if we can get like a celery play right at 9:30 maybe, right, something like that, for price to continue on up on the 4 hour chart, then I think we could fill those wicks there. Yeah, we may reject, but I think we can absolutely get up there, and probably reject. But you know, that's why we take profits, right? That's why we secure some bacon along the way. So yeah, 9:30 full margin. Yep. No. So we'll see. Now we just gotta wait. You know, now we gotta wait. That move is done. This 4 hour candle is you know, stalling a little bit here. We got news coming out, so it's best to see how the 4 hour candle goes. And man, it would be awesome if we can maybe push down, grab that liquidity again on the 1 hour chart and 30-minute time frame, and then kind of close the way it's looking right now, and you get yourself your 4 hour celery play there. Yeah, at least come back up to 2006 and fill that wick there. Yeah, anticipating like this move right here. Possibly. We'll see. We will see. Oh, someone's going to be in Bali for New Year's. Lucas.
Heard it. Going to be in Bali for New Year's?
My man Lucas is going to be in Bali.
Yeah, I see that.
The Bali link up.
Yeah, bro. No. It rained for an hour or two, maybe 3. It's really hot, so it's gonna be good. I mean, I went on a walk today, in the beach, and I sat in there for a couple hours, and yeah, it's still sunny. You just don't know when it's gonna rain. It might rain at night, and if it rains at night, it's gonna probably rain all night, or first thing in the morning. But nah, you're still gonna get the sun, bro. You're still gonna get enjoy it.
Yeah. Check donation. Oh, hold on. Did we get a dono here that I did not see? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Why don't I see it? Oh, hold on. Wait, I don't see it. I don't see who sent it. Oh, no. Who sent it, gang? Who sent it? Did we get some more coffee? We got some more coffee. Hey, whoever sent it, man. Thank you guys. Y'all know you don't have to donate. Yeah, everything that I'm gonna pull all the whatever I do have in YouTube, I'm gonna pull out here, and there's stuff that I think money that I got paid for the stream, and then some donations. We're gonna be donating all that money here. So we're gonna be buying gifts for kids here in December. Thank you guys, because I get to, you know, be a part of that as well and go help out. But it's all thanks to you guys as well for the donos. So all the donos that you guys have put, the little couple bucks here, a couple bucks there, you know, we're gonna put it in a pot, and we're gonna help out some kids this year down here in Tampa. So it should be a fun time. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice. Someone passed phase 1 here? Oh, let's go. W. Big W. Big W. Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. What's the news coming out today? We have unemployment claims here today. 1% away from passing phase 2. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, just be disciplined. Don't force it. Just let it come naturally. Let it all come natural. Oh, Wickman. Thank you, man. Shout out to my boy, Kong FX. He passes phase 1 today. Thank you, Wickman. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry I missed you there, man. So sorry. I did not mean to miss you, bro. Yeah, W on your boy. Let's go. Hey, is it it seems like the challenge has been ringing, man. They've been ringing here. So W to everyone passing their challenges and really getting a hang of this thing here. Yeah, catching on, feeling good about your trading. Love to see what we got going on here now. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, we got another dono. Happy hunting, Nick. Thanks for everything, you legend. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. NZ Dollar Signs. What is the username? NZ Dollar Signs. Thank you, thank you. Adrian, appreciate the coffee there, bro. You guys don't have to donate. Don't do it. Don't do it. Thank you guys, though. Appreciate it. Don't donate to this criminal. Oh, gotta trade. Chill. Gotta trade. What a trade. Holy. Oh, man. Hey, that's going to go to a good use here, bro. Yeah, nah. Thank you, man. You do not have to do that. Don't do it. Oh man, W's for Gotta Trade. Hey, Gotta Trade is one of I absolutely love talking with Gotta Trade and spending time with Gotta Trade. He's a very, very smart man. He's an extremely well poker player. He knows probability. He knows the game of trading and he relates it so well to poker. So, you know, we have spent some awesome time together there, Gotta Trade, and yeah, had some really, really fun times. And the man, dude, the man, he's grown so much in his trading, and I'm proud of him. I'm very, very proud of him. Yeah. Gotta Trade's a top G. In case you ain't know. Yo, Goldwick. Goldwick with the fight. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right. Tamper down now, everyone. Tamper down. Thank you guys, man. Goldwick. Let's go. Yeah, I look forward to meeting more of you guys and being able to spend some more time and have some conversations with some more of you guys. Do. Think gold will go up today? If we get a closure above 2003, maybe. Yeah. Oh, what's this? You suck. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm in trouble here. I asked 4 times this week what you're teaching in the boot camp. Oh, damn. Did you? I probably explained it about 90 times this week. We're going to be going over a lot of price action, a lot of, obviously, the playbook. We're going over risk management, 2 different styles of risk management. We're going to be recapping the entire year based off of the things that we've learned, the things that we've implemented. We're going to talk a lot about price action, candlesticks, ranges, you name it when it comes to price action. Sam's going to be doing a lot of talking on fundamentals, what each fundamental event is, how they affect price of gold and other pairs. Rafi's going to be doing this thing. Rafi, why don't you tell him a little bit about what you're going to be talking about there and helping him out with too?
Yeah, definitely, bro. First of all, you know, it's the first thing that we're going to cover is pretty much who you are as a trader, right? So creating that mental picture that is going to help with your beliefs. Your beliefs is one of the most important things that you need to have straight when it comes to removing emotions and all that kind of stuff that we get when we're in the charts, right? So that's going to be, you know, the main thing that we're going to do. Then we're going to pretty much learn strategies to how to self-regulate our mind and body, because it's a very important thing, since obviously, you know, we all have a relationship with money, and money obviously triggers certain emotions. So when we're trading, it's a lot easier for us to become gamblers when we're not aware of that. So a lot of people overtrade, a lot of people feel like FOMO, a lot of people feel so many emotions that pretty much entice you to do things that you're not coherently thinking. So being able to self-regulate yourself is a very important thing. That's something that we're going to cover. And the most important thing is the right decision making for you as a trader. So we are going to create a playbook that is going to help you on your mindset. We already have a playbook for our strategy. Now we need to have a playbook that matches our strategy and our mental state. This mental state is going to pretty much be shaped from the beginning when we create the mental picture. So it's pretty much, it's going to give you the tool that you're going to need for you to pretty much recognize what is working and what is not working, and how to move forward without any sort of emotion. So pretty much detaching yourself emotionally from the outcome.
And we really need
3
that.
days. So if
in 3 days.
you haven't signed up,
yeah,
it's a lot of heat. So you better come in with your blanket and a brand new notebook.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a lot.
New.
And Rafi's topic is so important. You know, those who have talked with me know that I'll weave that stuff in and out the training regardless. Those of you guys who come to the stream, you guys know that I weave that thing, but to have Rafi strictly talking about that, and that's something that he specializes in and works with other traders with, works with other professional athletes with. I mean, you guys are getting literally a bunch of time directly focused on that, and I'm excited. I'll be there with my notebook taking notes on that. And yeah, I think that's one of the most important topics for traders, because let's face it, gang, price action, we could teach an 8-year-old price action, you know, and they'll get it within a week or two, right? It's very simple if you can keep it simple, but the thing that's not so simple is how to really audit your mind, right? How to regulate yourself under pressure and under emotional hijacking, which occurs quite often in trading, right? How many of you guys at some point you find yourself in that one moment, right? That one moment that wipes out all your profits or wipes away your account, or, you know, just forces you into doing something that you know you shouldn't be doing, like over trading or over risking. And, you know, all of a sudden you come out of that moment, right? And you're like, damn, what just happened? You know, what just took over me? You know, I would think that way too at times. And you know, it's all about really having the awareness of that moment and understanding when that moment comes and taking a step back, right? Taking a breath, regulating yourself when it comes to that. And that way you can finally get over the hump when it comes to, you know, throwing away all the profits, you know, in one day that, let's say, it took you a week or two to accumulate. So yeah, big topic there. I'm excited to learn more about that from you too, bro.
You know, bro, like here's the thing, you know, that with athletes as well, you know, it's like, what are you trading? To make money? No, bro, that's not enough. That's not enough. You know, because people are doing it to make money, but they're not going in knowing that they're going to have to lose first, that they're going to have to be in pain first. You see what I'm saying? So like, for you to find yourself, find your bigger purpose, to actually understand yourself, you know, because we all do different things. I'm a very calm person. Johnny, for example, here on the right side, he is not a very calm person. He's very spazzy. He loses focus all the time. So how he sees the market and how he's going to trade the market is going to be completely different than mine. So he's going to be affected emotionally from a different perspective than I am. So then we got Johnny here on the other side, who is very shy. He overthinks everything. He's going to get hit differently than the other guy is and than I am. So for us to be able to understand ourselves within the market, we need to know why we're doing this. And that's something that we're going to cover in there, because once you know and you find that picture and you create that agreement with yourself, discipline is just going to become a part of who you are as a person. Then you don't have to try to be disciplined. You become disciplined without effort. When you do that, bro, it's like, now you know what you need to do. The move is moving without you. It doesn't bother you because you're disciplined, because that's who you are now. You're not trying to be disciplined. Am I making sense? So that's why it's so important for us to create that mental picture. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the foundation. Once you understand that, once you create that, and then you understand how the emotions work and what it is and how it affects you, whenever you see the market, then you see the market from a different eye, different perspective. I haven't been trading for 10 years or anything like that. My forte, the reason why I am where I'm at today, is because of my skills when it comes to the mindset. I've been doing this for over 14 years with athletes. And all I did was I switched the names and I switched everything, and everything that I do with trading is from the same perspective and has worked, right? So I've helped other traders do the same thing. I know it works, and it's something that we as humans need to understand about ourselves.
So true, dude. Yeah, I love that. And yeah, you got to be prepared mentally. You know, luckily I went through network marketing as well. Like, so I had a lot of mental preparation before this, but I still needed to work hard to adjust that, right? To cater that, to tailor it to what we do here in the markets. You know, a little bit of a different approach, right? So the mindset was there, but I had to tailor it a bit to really, you know, work well in the markets here. Oh, DGC, thank you very much for the dono, man. Appreciate that. Xander, you're the man, bro. You are the man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, spot on, Rafi. Spot on, man. Yeah, once you get that mentality right, the rest is history, because now you have a playbook, you have a strategy, you got a system, you're disciplined to it. What happens when traders are disciplined to a profitable system? They make money, right? They make money and they do well and they succeed. So it's just these pieces that we got to put together. And I think really the mindset and the mentality is the most difficult part. How do you handle losses? How do you handle a couple losses, right? How do you handle a few losses in a row? How do you handle a bad month, right? You jump ship, you do something else, you try and come back, or do you stay in the grind? Do you stay in the hunt, right? And work towards getting better, knowing that this is what you're doing. You've planted your stake here. You've got to get the job done, and you're forced to make those adjustments and forced to make that mentality shift, right? So that's very, very important when it comes to trading. The candlesticks are one thing, but you know, you are designed and you're a whole different a whole different machine to work on, right? So big. I'm be taking notes here, Rafi's, for real.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop here some for free so people understand that kind of like the kind of things that we're gonna talk about. So, what is the biggest emotion that all traders go through on a daily basis?
Talk to the man, chat. Talk to him.
And it's not just in trading. You have it in life, have it in relationships. Fear. Absolutely.
Ding, ding.
So now here's the question, because I'm not going to be talking all night. If you want to hear more, you need to sign up. But what do you fear? That's the thing that I tell my athletes, you know, like when we come into the game, a lot of them have fear of failure. Do you truly fear failure? What we actually fear is the consequence. What comes after that? Because I tell my guys, okay, so if you play baseball, right? And you go to hit, and let's say there was no consequences after striking out. Will you worry about striking out? No. Okay, so what if you're on the field and you make an error and there's no consequences after that? Nobody yells at you. Coach will keep you in the game. Will you fear making an error? No. So it's actually the consequence, right? So when we're talking about trading, you fear what? A loss. So what meaning are you giving to this loss? That you might probably blow your account, that you probably are not going to be able to quit your job, that you probably are not going to have money. So you're actually not fearing you losing the trade. You're fearing actually what's going to happen if you keep losing. So that's the thing, you know, like that's the reason why creating this mental picture is going to change your beliefs on how you see the market, because the market is just a pure reflection of yourself. So whenever we change these things and you understand, like, what am I fearing? I told you guys, like, I don't know, like a week ago, I was 9% drawdown on an account before I passed the thing and got funded. Was I fearful? Yes. I'm not going to say I wasn't. But one thing is to be fearful and one thing is to observe the emotion and not let that affect your decision making. That's when things happen. That's when things change. When you can observe the emotion without affecting your coherent thinking. That's power, right? And that's the thing that we as humans need to learn. It's a skill that we don't learn in school. Nobody teaches that in school. Nobody teaches us how to meditate. Nobody teaches us how to self-regulate our emotions. We need to do that on our own. So that's why this is so important for trading, because again, we all come up with a different upbringing, right? We all come up with different problems, different visions, different beliefs. And we come into the market. Market is ruthless, doesn't care about you, doesn't care about how you feel. So it's very, very important for us to, first of all, understand our emotions, when they rise, when they get triggered, and most importantly, how to allow ourselves to feel and not react. That's the key. That's where things are going to change for you.
Easier to understand, harder to really live it. You know, you got to really dedicate to it. Takes a conscious effort. I have buys open. What should I do?
It takes time. Yeah, it takes
time. Yeah, if you have buys open, and you should already know what to do. You know, you should have that. You should have had that plan before you jumped in there. So, you know, I don't know. I don't know where you have buys from. I don't know anything about the trade. Rafi bombs. Hashtag Rafi bombs. Yeah, man.
Lucas, that's 100%, bro. I mean, we have emotions. It's part of who we are, you know, and it's okay to feel your emotions. That's the thing, bro. Like, I'm gonna talk about this. I can talk about emotions all day long. That's something that I had to truly, dive in deep. But just think about this, man. Us men have been programmed not to show our emotions. If you cry, if you become very emotional for whatever reason you cry, man, everybody's gonna make fun of you. Why? Because you're crying. That's an emotion. Every human being feels pain, feels sadness. So what happens? We reserve. We hold it in. We hold it in. The only emotion that we can show is anger because, yeah, nobody's gonna say anything.
It makes us tough.
He's angry, whatever.
It makes
right?
us look tough.
Yeah, right.
Manly,
it makes you tough.
manly.
If you cry,
yeah.
If you show pain, then you're soft, right?
Yeah.
I want to tell you something. There's a book that it's just, if you read this book, it's gonna change how you think, and it's called The Body Keeps the Score. Okay, guys, we hold our emotions our whole life if you don't let them go. Okay, these emotions over years turn into diseases. That's the reason why a lot of people later on suffer some weird sicknesses, because they're holding on into emotions. They don't allow themselves to feel. They run away from it. They don't want to feel it, right? So we need to learn. We need to rewire ourselves to, I'm fearful. Fuck yes, I'm fearful. But why am I fearful? So then when you unpack that thing, it's like, it's actually the consequence. What happens if I lose this trade? Nothing. I have my stop loss. I'm going to lose probably 1%. And if I can manage risk, I lose less. Do I trust my ability to bounce back from that? Yes. Do I trust my strategy? Yes. Was this a setup that I would take any day? Yes. So what's the problem then? What are you so fearful of? The consequence. And what is the consequence? What meaning are you giving? It's a non-ending circle, guys. So that's the reason why just observing. You're feeling fearful. It's okay. We all feel it. I'm feeling pissed off. It's okay. How do you learn not to react? That's where the magic happens.
Yep. Yeah, very true. Very true, man. Those feelings that go on. There's a spiritual realm that you don't see. You know, that's why you see people. Why are they sick by emotion? Because their spirit is dampened. It's not thriving, right? Our spirits are meant to thrive. But when we hold in those emotions, and that's why it's good to, have people to talk to about that as well. So, you can get it off your chest a bit. You everywhere, Green? Green's everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah, that's, not a lot of people are talking about that stuff, but it really does have a lot to do with trading. Yeah, a lot of people overlook it and just try and fight that and fight the grind through, like a lot of men as well, right? That's why it's called mentorship, right? Because women don't really need it. It's mainly men, so at the end of the day, like, that mentorship will help you. That mentorship will help you. So find a good mentor, man. Just what I always recommend is if you're in your 20s, man, just find a 60-year-old guy with a beat up Bible and a smiling wife and ask that dude as many questions as you possibly can. That is what I did. That is how I shaped my mentality. That's worked for me, and I think it can work really well for you as well. Oh, Xander again? Come on, bro. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. So nothing going on here. We're waiting for unemployment claims at this point. Yeah, that's 100% true, Lucas. If it was 90% or whatever, if it was mainly about trading price action stuff, a lot more people would succeed, but it's not that. You know, it's not that. But what if it doesn't get to resistance? And the other thing too is you gotta kind of separate yourself from the money, because, you know, let's say you think $1,000 is a lot of money, all right? Just as an example, if you see $1,000 in your P&L, you're gonna close that position, right? Where maybe the advantage point was, you know, let's say $3,000 or $2,000, right, or whatever, and you just close it because your upbringing, or, you know, maybe what you've made in life to this point, or what your parents made growing up. You know, we get this idea of what a lot of money is, or, you know, what, you know, a standard of, okay, if I see that, I mean, that is I gotta close that. But you'll learn to kind of see past the money a little bit and focus on the trade, and I think that's where you'll get your best performance from.
Yeah, you literally gotta become a different person, bro. Like, you know, really good traders, they think differently. They see things differently. They have a different relationship with winning and losing. They have a different relationship when it comes to money and handling losses and stuff. It's like the average person won't be able to handle this, bro. Like, especially if you have 200K, 500K in the line, you're gonna graduate as the biggest Quaker. Like, what happens to your nervous system when you have so much money, when you're not mentally prepared for that kind of stuff? I don't think your heart is prepared for that. Your mind is not prepared for that. Like, you literally gotta rewire yourself to think differently.
Yeah, you gotta rewire that brain, man. Takes time, takes commitment too. Takes commitment. I gave my life to Jesus Christ yesterday. I started sweating, man. I'm healing. Amen, brother. Amen. Good stuff. That's a big W. You want to talk about passing a challenge? That's a W right there, man. Congratulations. Big party going up in heaven right now. Big party. They're celebrating you, my friend. Which is better, Think Markets or ACAP? I haven't used Think Markets. ACAP I think is pretty good for gold. I really don't like it at all for pound yen. Oh, thank you so much for the $1.99, Ray. Thank you, Ray. What will unemployment claims do to help analysis? Well, we got to see how the numbers come out here. So looks like they're expecting lower numbers here. So depending on how these numbers come out, we'll get an idea. Also, by the way, price action will reflect that as well. So we will see either a move up, we'll see a move down. We're going to follow price. We're going to take a look at how numbers come out, and then we'll just follow suit there with price. Yeah, it could affect it. You're going to see some volume. You'll most likely see a break out of the zone now once we get there, and then that's going to point us in the right direction, I believe. Yeah, if numbers come out expected, then we should see a move down here. Yeah, because I think they are expecting lower numbers, right? Lower number. Let's go back to that. I think I've seen lower numbers, right? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. Nick uses 8 cap. Yep. Lower numbers. Gold go down. Yes. Gold down. Sir. Sam Capital, sir. Gold go up or down? Up or down, sir? The heart was created to fill. If you feel like crying, yeah, cry. Yep. Yeah, man. Sometimes you staring at that doorknob will bring you to tears as well when you're doing it the right way. Yep. Yeah, one of the most profound things I ever seen is one day I was sitting there with my mentor. I had never seen a grown man cry. Never seen a grown man cry in my life. And man, he was talking about something that had to do with the spiritual side of things, and he just started choking up and crying, and that left a major impact on me, because I had never seen a man cry, you know, and to you know, to see him cry over something he was so passionate about, something he believed in so much, that changed a lot for me too, man. That was a big moment in my life. I was like, damn. Tough dude too.
So you saw these men crying. How do you feel?
Yeah, that makes me feel like there's more important things in life than I know of, and there's something a lot bigger than me, and you know, it's worth selling out to. You know, it's worth selling out to, and mastering yourself is one of those things, right? Mastering yourself. You know, we have an awesome guide here that I believe is very profound, which is the book called the Bible, and you know, just mastering myself and crafting myself into what I feel I'm called to do through the instruction there, I think, and it's much bigger than me, right? There's a bigger purpose. So it allows you to jump past your fears, jump past your anxieties, because it's bigger than you, right? It's much bigger than us. So yeah, that really impacted me, man, in terms of like, wow, like I could sell out to something that's bigger than me and see the impact, right? That happens. So all right, here's the news. I think we did. Let's see how numbers came out. Numbers did come out. Pending. Whoa. What happened here? What do we got to pay now? Yeah, I'm assuming numbers came out lower if we are starting to drive down here. Yeah, so this 4-hour candle may close bearish here to in a little bit, so we'll see how we look. Let's go back, see if we can. Yeah, we'll just wait. Brace for impact. Yeah. Yeah, 209. Wow, much lower numbers here. Yeah, much lower numbers. So yeah, let's follow. We're going to follow the 4-hour candle here. See, did we break the low? Not yet. Not yet. Lower numbers. Yeah, gold bearish. Sam Capital. Sam Capital, you coming on Zoom? You coming on Zoom? He's coming around the mountain. Here he comes. Shorty got low. What up, Andreas? My man. How we feeling out there in Brooklyn today? Brooklyn's in the house. 9:30 strategy coming soon. Yeah. Yep. 4 hours should spill the beans here for us. We got lower numbers here today as well, so it looks good. We got a clean move here coming down here, gang, to like 1986 here. So nice clean candles here. We'll see if we can actually get a close below and set up nice for us. I love you. Hey, I love you too. Love you too. Yeah, Maurice. Always hitting us with the Maurice, man.
Sam Capital is in the house.
Sam's on the Zoom. Zooming.
Yeah.
He's here. All right, let's get him up here. Let's get him up here. Hello, Mr. President Sam Capital. What information do you have for us here today?
Yo. What's the word? What information do I have for us today? Yo, we're gonna have a very great, beautiful day here. Yeah, I don't know. The unemployment just happened. We'll see. I think we got consumer sentiment later.
Yeah,
but,
we do. Yep.
They're looking to see green numbers for that, which would also bring gold down again. So we'll see. We'll see.
Awesome. Yeah, awesome. So maybe we can hit this FVG here, gang. Let's go.
Sir.
We got that FVG.
Slide in the FVG.
Let's get it. Let's
Try
get
to
it.
slide into it. FVG.
That
That'd be
FVG
nice.
coming, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Dude.
Yes, sir.
Skirt. Oh man.
Yeah, I should have hopped on here like 5 minutes ago before the news came out. What am I doing? I just been sitting here watching the chat, listening to y'all cook.
Yeah, you didn't know this was the day trader hangout over here, man.
Nah, nah.
Is this the stream where the day traders hang out?
I was like window shopping. Like,
Where's is Vant still here? Vant trading? The day traders, man. Oh man. Yeah. Did you get a nap in or no?
yeah, I did.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I did actually.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, we're gonna get that
I'm not
FVG
gonna
here.
lie, bro. Like right after I texted you,
You're out.
like 5 minutes later, probably. Yeah.
Nice.
And I woke up
Nice
like
nap. Nice nap.
Quarter to 8.
Quarter to 8, baby. Hey,
Yes,
you're
sir.
never late when you're your own boss, man. Ain't it great? Quarter to 8, ain't it great?
Yeah, quarter to 8, ain't it great?
Yeah.
Walked the room over, sat down.
Oh, what do we got? We got helicopters outside the crib. What's going on? Doosh, 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 doosh.
That looked pretty, bro.
Yo. Holy. Motorcycle parts. Let's go, Jay Wick.
Had a chat with Jerome Powell. Let's go. Yeah, you already know.
Sam's B-Day was yesterday. Turned 81.
Who's?
Yours.
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe we could hit a Pelosi today. Yeah, if you
Be
guys are
nice.
taking sells here, not a bad idea, especially with the news coming out here. Binky binks. Yeah, let's see the daily here real quick. Yeah, look at this daily. Yeah, so our sells here are breaking the daily lows, gang. So if we came all the way up here, just think about if this was a 30-minute time frame. We come all the way up, and now we come back towards break even and then break the lows. There's a high chance we'll continue down now. So that candle, if we do break the lows, then you'll most likely continue down. Plus, you'll also get a 4-hour breakout as well, right? If we can close below the range here on the 4-hour candle, that's going to give us a very, very nice high probability move and opportunity to trade here in this nice clean range, right? And you've already got the rejections, right? So you see the rejections up top here. These rejections have already happened, so price tried to move up on the daily, right? We were very bullish here on the daily. So if you do get a closure below here, then there's a high chance that you will move down, fill the wick, and most likely tap into this support level here. So that may be our plan here today. We just gotta see how this 30-minute candle closes.
Yes, that'd be beautiful.
Yeah.
It's funny because like we were in a London session too, so it's like we watch price up, drive up, and reject.
Yep.
And so now we're
Yeah.
watching it come down.
Yeah, nice move down here.
What did I have for breakfast? Nothing. I
Nothing.
had time to eat. Pulled right up.
He had the live stream for
Had a
breakfast.
glass of water. That was it. Glass
Yeah.
of water. I love a glass of water, and like right when you first get up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's like a pro tip, life hack. Like drink some water right when you get up. Get your bodily systems like all flowing and that. Cleans it all up.
Yeah, we need to be
Like it, bro.
well hydrated when we wake up in the morning because our brain does a whole flush throughout the night. So it's good to have that more hydration, more water. Throw a little Celtic sea salt in the water, you know, if you got it. And yeah. Oxygen too. A lot of oxygen in the morning, gang. Deep breaths. Sometimes I see some things you guys say,
Nick,
and I think,
John.
oh, John's here.
Oh yeah.
Johnny London, eh?
Got stopped out. Got stopped out.
You got stopped out of them.
His
That
alarm
sleep
clock did
stop.
last night. His alarm. That's hilarious.
Oh, look, the
Yo, we're in
landscapers.
New York session now. It's not London no more.
Johnny boy, welcome to the party here, man.
Yo, good morning, boys.
Party
What's
time,
poppin'?
buddy. How we
What
doing?
up, John?
What up, what up? Just doing great. How you boys doing?
Fantastic.
Wonderful.
Awesome. Beautiful juicers, eh, in London?
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Yep, yep.
Nice.
There's only one thing it was missing.
Yeah, I know.
Only
The
one
London
thing.
Man himself. The London Man
Yo.
himself.
Man, I don't know.
I thought you were I thought you were pulling up here. I thought you were gonna sit in the big seat here last night and host it. I was just gonna jump
I
on my
would've-
laptop.
Should have let me know.
Let's take a look at
Yeah, man, the
Nasdaq
truth,
here.
though, truth is I did never heard my alarm. Man, if I would have heard my alarm, I would have been up.
Hmm. Gotcha. One of those, huh?
Abs.
Dog ate my homework type of deal, right? Johnny Gems is in the house.
See, that's
Yo,
why
what's
I
good,
just
chat?
stayed up, bro.
Yeah, bro. I should have did that too.
I knew I wasn't gonna get up.
You get yourself an energy drink?
Nah, last night I actually didn't. I would not have had coffee.
Thing is, bro, when I stay up for the whole night and throughout London, I can't get up, or I fall asleep and then I can't get up for the NY session.
Can't is not in our vocabulary, man. We don't say can't around
Sorry.
here.
Yeah, I don't know why. I just have like a lot. Like my body is alarm clock, dude. 8 a.m. I have to be up no matter what it is, time of day, week, no matter what. It's a New York session.
Yeah. Hey, if you guys are having fun, give the stream a like here today. Let me like the stream as well. Good to have you guys here. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We got a 4-hour closure coming up here. The daily time frame is losing some steam here, my friends. So if we do get some sort of closures below 96 here today and re-break the daily lows here, get a 4-hour closure below the support, and I think we're in good standings here to move down and cover this land here. Yeah, we got a pretty decent range here as well. So daily lows are sitting right here, and that's about a 90 pip move down, 90 to 100 pip move down here today. So numbers did come out less than, so yeah, should be pretty good. So we'll wait until this candle finishes up, and then we'll see what we got going on. Yeah, give the
Yeah, I
stream a
feel like
like here.
Unemployment news sample with gold. If you see unemployment is down, less unemployment, that's a good thing. Good thing for the economy, good thing for the dollar. So you see the
Yeah.
outflow of gold back into the dollar.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, 1
This,
hour's clean. Nice resistance. Yeah, we took this position here in the London session last night. Where is it? Where did it go? What time was that again? 2, right? Yeah. 2:30. Yeah. So we took this move here in London.
Yeah, it's like 3 something. Yeah.
Yeah, break of the highs or break of the current candle. It was on the 30-minute, but got about 31 pips out of that, and yeah, price moved back down here. Consolidated a bit for pre-New York, and now news came out, and looks like we're trying to head south here. So
Yeah, beautiful trade.
yeah, it was a good trade. Yeah, I was hoping to see something nice there pre London. Yeah. Yeah, you
that
had
was good
a
trade. I like our
nice-
entry on that one too.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, pre-London's good too. Pre-London brings in some volume, as well as London Open.
Oh yeah. Can we sell? You can do whatever you like. You guys ever heard that song? You can do whatever you like. Yeah, man, why not? Let it rip.
Fire it off.
Fire away. Yeah, I think the best sell would have been on the break of the low there, but not here. Definitely not here. Had you maybe got an entry in right here, then yeah, that would have been clean move. But to try and enter a sell right now, I don't think it's a good idea. That brother's starving. Take a look at pound yen. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Well, there goes the neighborhood. All right, yeah, news jacked us up here. Clean move. Yeah, I think if you can get a close now just above here, then it's not a bad move up. You want to see a little bit of a pullback so you can get a wick fill. So this candle pull back a bit. Let's see what that looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour celery play potentially as well. Yeah, not bad here. You do need a pullback here to leave a wick. TI, yeah, TI, that's right. I was trying to remember whose song that was.
Yo, how do I not know that, bro? Wow. Now I gotta put it on.
Put it on. Shiro, the hero, is in the house. What up, Shiro? Dabbing on him. Dabbing. McDonald's shares look bearish. Oh man, I don't. Do you guys sell McDonald's? I don't know. I think McDonald's is always on the up and up. Yeah, no idea how. AB Mike is in the house, back from the gym. What up, AB Mike?
AB Mike.
Big dabbing. John definitely rewatched today's live. Yeah, there was a lot of gems here. That was a really, really good stream, gang. So I would highly recommend at some point over the next couple of days going back and watching that, man. We talked about a lot of really, really great things, a lot of very important stuff as well. We also took a great playbook setup, you know, but I think the real win was some of the things that we discussed. Yeah, the trade was just a cherry on top.
Yeah, true. I kept asking chat.
Pep.
It's 3 a.m. 9:30? And then it starts flying. Yeah, nah.
Yeah. I heard John's been killing it in his live streams though, eh? Johnny Gems dropping the smoke, baby.
So we like that.
Yeah, get ready for the London. You guys, we'll have a London stream rolling, man. We already got it with John doing the Zoom, and the stream will go up next year as well, so that'll be fun.
Sure.
Be good times. I'll pull up.
We'll see.
What up, Nav man? Nav man. What's John's YouTube channel? Yeah, John, he's gonna stream London, or he does stream London in he puts it in the Zoom, right? In London section, I think.
We do Zoom calls for it now because I don't have a YouTube channel. Once I get that created, I will let you guys know.
Yeah, so if you want to join them, gotta join Discord.
Discord, baby.
So I send the Zoom link in the London channel in the Time to Eat Discord. That's where it'll be sent.
Next year, the focus will be on Nasdaq, correct? Yeah. Yeah, so we've been sample sizing this for a couple months here, and we're ready to go. So we're all ready to go. We're just waiting for the new year here, and we really like the way it trades. We see a lot of playbook setups that pop off on this pair. It's heavily influenced, obviously, during the New York session, and I think we found our new pair. You know, we worked with US 30 for months and months, and just didn't really seem to like it. You know, just didn't vibe with it. We switched over to NAS 100, and that pair has been pretty solid, right? Pretty solid price. I mean, look at yesterday's price action here. Like, you got a closure below, Beautiful celery play, right? You got another closure below. Beautiful celery play. Those are also really nice breakouts. See that breakout and the drive down, another breakout here below support, driving down, nice wick. So yeah, this pair is gonna come into the watch list here, and GJ might get the going. We'll see. Yeah. Sam out the White House. You already know.
Yes, sir. You setting things straight.
You're setting it straight here in the country.
And this country back on track.
You get the Sam administration, bring it out.
Got work to do.
TTE took over the house, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna pay off the government debt by hitting a 100 pip banger.
Full margin.
Start investing the country's money into the markets.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
All right. We're moving down, moving down. Let's see how the 15-minute closed. We did close bearish. Nice. Nice, nice. I would love to see like a bullish close on the 15. Right? Close bullish here. Give us a new resistance. And then the next 15 close below the range. Like this. Because now we have a breakout, but we also have a new resistance formed, right? Where do we want to take sells? Off of what? Off of a what? A resistance, right? So if we can get a bullish close and then the next bearish candle to close back below on the 15, then 9:15 should look something like this, and 9:30 should probably continue the drive down.
Wait.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, we'll pay off the debt with that.
And we'll pay off the national debt, yeah.
All we need is that one trade.
Yeah. Winner, winner. Gonna hold the trade a little bit longer today. Yeah, I think I will too, bro. I think I'm gonna join you on that. We do have this clean traffic here to the left. We are in profits for the week. So yeah, we'll see if we get the volume closures we're looking for. Then yeah, I think this is gonna be a nice opportunity for this 80 pip move here. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you bagged profits earlier in the week. Time to let the trade run now later in the week.
Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, boys. So, what you guys doing for Thanksgiving?
Just gonna see some family.
Nice.
Eat some good food.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
So,
Be grateful. Spend a day grateful.
facts, bro. Got to.
Yeah,
About you,
Rafi, you gonna be celebrating Thanksgiving over there?
Yeah, what you doing, Rafi?
Yeah, bro. We have a group of fellow Americans out here too. So they're gonna get together, and they're like an hour away on a scooter. But yeah, they're gonna have some food, and yeah, we're just gonna go up there and hang out for a little bit, be social.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
awesome. Yeah, eat
Sounds
some good
good.
food, have some good times, some good people.
Good conversation.
What's up?
Yeah. That'll be nice. Sometimes you need it, man. Sometimes, like for example, like for me, it's like I do my things, obviously focused over here, improving every day, studying every day,
Mm-hmm.
So like I limit how much energy I share, so like my interaction with people, I limit it to an extent just because that's just what works for me. But sometimes like you need to put yourself out there as well. You know what I'm saying? So like this will be good.
Yeah, definitely agree. It's like you could like look at it sort of like as a mental break a little bit, kind of.
Yeah, like
yeah.
in
It's
a
a
way,
mental
yeah.
break. There's no charts either, so it's like you're completely off. You know?
Yeah.
No, I really think I'm the same way, and I think it's like I don't know. It's just like I'm someone who like really like I like to say like preserve my mental, like just for like the charts, like bro, like I feel like there's so many times like where you just don't take a trade or you just like follow the plan and everything, and really all it is just like preserving your mental, right? Why put yourself into like a trade that you know you're gonna be just sitting in drawdown whenever it's like a low volume time, like you know what I mean? Just
100%.
preserving the mental, and yes, no, and like sometimes people can rub off on you in a wrong way, so like you know. I like to be doing my thing as well. Like, yeah. I don't know.
I feel that though.
No, I mean, yeah, you gotta think about this, man. Like, everything is energy, And when you're interacting with another being, you guys are exchanging information. You guys are sharing energy, So it's like, who are you talking to? Like this person's energy might probably take yours, you know what I'm saying? And for me, like I work with athletes, so I'm constantly giving my attention and my energy to athletes and to people and some traders that I talk to, So I need some time for myself to regather and regroup and recharge. So like if I'm working with people, I'm talking to people, and then I'm going out there and being social, and doing all this kind of stuff. It's like, when are you regathering yourself? When are you? Because I mean, this is if you want to be an elite, you gotta do what elites do. You know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta preserve your energy. You gotta be sharp, mental and physical when you are performing. I mean, this is not a joke,
Right.
So that's why I try to keep it, very limited.
Yeah, I like how you put that. I think it makes me like word a little better, but like I don't need that excess outside energy like putting like that pressure on me, you know what I mean? Like or on my mental. Yeah. No, that's so true.
Yeah.
Because it's like you said, like the elites, like they won't you won't even see themselves in a situation where it's gonna like do bad things to their mental.
Yeah. It's not being a loser, like a lot of people say like, oh, I feel like a loser, but no, I mean, there's time for everything, you know what I'm saying? It's like, for me, tomorrow is gonna be a great time. I mean, during the weekends I do stuff, I reach out to my boys and say, yo, you guys wanna go to a beach club? You guys wanna go for a walk? There's no chart time. I'm not working with people on a weekend, so that's when I go and socialize with people. During the week, bro, I'm focused.
Yeah,
unless I choose not to trade and I'm somewhere, and then like that's different. But gotta be very, very, very picky with who you give your energy.
Oh yeah,
That's so true.
gotta be a dog, baby. Gotta be a dog over the week.
Mm-hmm.
For real.
Oh, nice. Raja bank trick. Hey. Sellies are activated then, huh? All right, we got a 4-hour close here in 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Looks like we're going to close bearish here, so very nice. We may not close below, but if we could pull back just a bit here, that would be great. And we can see about positions on the break of the low there after we get a closure. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, hit the like button. Yeah, give the stream a like here. We're almost at 1,000. Can we crack 1,000 here before the 4-hour close in 3 minutes? I think we could do it. I think we can do it. 2,000 people have not hit the like button yet, so it should be easy peasy. Easy peasy. Do I see? Oh, 930. There we go. Can we see 950? 950, 950, 950? Can we see 950? Who got 950? Who got 950? 930. Actually, leave it right there. Just leave.
Or just send it to 1K.
All right, 1K is a little bit better. All right, it's either 930 or 1,300 now, gang. So we got to get some more. No, I'm just kidding. Oh man, not here 1K. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. You really are. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. It helps a lot of other traders out there on YouTube see the live stream, and with one like, you can help one lucky trader, one lonely trader out there who's just trying to eat. 1.2K. Oh, we got 1.1K there. 1.2, 1.2. Nick, 1998 is a support. Is that the wait, 1998? Oh yeah, right here. Yep. Yeah, this if we have to use this one due to 9:30 closures, obviously there's going to be a lot of volume coming in. So remember we talked about that there would be a potential for sells below 98 here today. So if that happens during high times of volume, then yeah, I think that's going to be a good plan. Look at this though. We want to see a resistance, right? We talked about this happening. This is what we want to see here. We want to see a nice resistance form. So we got a support. Now if we can move up and then close bearish again, then now we have our resistance that we're looking for, and we can take our sells off of that, right? Boom, boom, and then drive down. Yeah. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that area though. All right, here is the 4-hour open here. So we did close bearish here on the 4-hour chart. There's a support way down here and a wick to fill here. So we do need a top wick. The 1-hour closed just shy of that support as well. 30-minute closed just shy here as well. If we can get somewhat of a celery play, right, something like that coming in, then we'll look to take positions in this area. If not, I'll probably just end up waiting for a close below 96 there. Yeah. Sup with the top wick, bro. Yeah, let's see what this looks like on the 15. Yeah, everything looks good. If we can get if we can get, so remember what we talked about yesterday, right? That a higher time frame wick fill, right, is lower time frame market structure. So let's talk about what that means here today. So we've got the pullback. So this is your 4-hour candle, right? Part of it. And now this is your pullback, right? So this is the wick that was left. Let's go ahead and look at the wick. This wick right here was created by this 15-minute candle. So now if we can get 15-minute candles to print bullish, maybe just this one, right? Maybe just one bullish candle here and then a bearish closure, right? Then this is going to be your ideal opportunity to take advantage of this 4-hour wick fill now, right? You have market structure on the lower time frame, resistance formed after getting a top wick. The candle with volume coming in should be good to drive, fill that wick, and then continue down following suit here. So if we want to move bearish here today and break these daily lows, I believe that's probably what we're going to see. Something very similar to that. So we'll see. We'll see how many 15-minute candles it's going to take, but we'll be here. We'll be here in the wait.
Wait on it.
Yeah, we may even create resistance here because we have no bottom wick on this candle, right? No bottom wick just yet. Will the boot camp be recorded? Yes. Yeah, everyone's going to get a recording on their to their email after the boot camp. Yep. All 3 days will be recorded. Nightbot. What up, Nightbot?
Shout out to Nightbot.
Yeah, we also don't have a top wick, right, on this candle here. So I don't really want to use these stops, right, based off of the 30-minute time frame alone. I want a resistance formed and a confirmation here on the 15, knowing that we've created a little bit more market structure, and there's actually a resistance in play, right? If the 15 can create a resistance somewhere in this range here, then that's ultimately what we want to see. So otherwise, we have to take a position here and use that top wick as our stop loss. Yeah. Yeah, if we use the 4-hour stops, it's 50 pips. So yeah, not gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. But I tell you what, a 30-minute celery would be fantastic. I shorted at 87. Now I'm in pain. Ooh. 87, 87, 87. Holy. That was yesterday, huh? That's okay. Pain is good sometimes. You know when change comes? When the feeling of, when you get so tired of the feeling of that pain, man. That's when change happens. Just started trading. You've been a ton of help. Oh, God bless you. Keep it up. Oh, awesome, man. Welcome, Zachariah. Yeah, any questions you got, man, let us know. T-Pain. Andres. Awesome. So yeah, if we can get a rejection of this support level, guys, you guys notice how this area right here is a lot of support, a lot of resistance right in here. And where did that top wick tap into? Right into that area. So that's very nice. If we can actually close bearish, that that should indicate we were ready to go. Yeah. Bully him like Raja.
Yeah, I'm tying up.
Tighten up. Yeah, everything looks good though. I think we just gotta wait here on the 15. Yeah, once because we may create resistance now, but we don't want to guess that, right? We don't want to guess that the resistance is gonna form here, and then price just breaks the highs and moves up, and then the resistance is formed, let's say up here, right? So we don't want to try and guess anything here. We just want to follow candle. We need a candle to print in our direction, and then we could take sells, right? Because if we take them here prematurely, by guessing or hoping and wishing and having a feeling and all this stuff, and then price moves up and it gives us an even cleaner range, I would be very upset about that, right? So we want to wait for what we want to see, as we are master negotiators here in the market. You dig?
Sure. That's sweet.
TTW.
No question. It's not a question.
TT Dubs, right, John?
There.
Yo, weather's beautiful today. I caught the sunrise. It was nice.
Yeah, it's been very beautiful out late since that rainy week. Been beautiful.
Yeah. Prayer strategy. Amen. Amen. Hey, don't listen to people who say you can't pray in FX. Can't pray in FX, man. You could always pray. You can always pray. Are you trading on the 400K? Yeah, I am. Yep. Looks like it wants to rain. Oh, Forex Frank. Forex Frank in the house. Hey, we got to link up next time they do something over at the fairgrounds there, man. Yeah, I went to the gun show. I didn't go to the, I think you told me you went to the RV show, right? I didn't get a chance to go to that one, but next time you head up there, let me know and we'll get a chance to shake hands. Yep, just gotta wait here, gang. Don't get too caught up in the red and the green and the blue and the red. You know, just wait for the candle to close here. That's all you gots to do.
Sure. Maybe Mike. I mean, if you're in profits, right? Your risk will naturally go up, right? Like when your profits go up. So I mean, yeah.
Stay right here, gold. Right here. Don't you move. Don't move. Jerome trying to trap the chat, man. Trying to trap the chat. Man, when I first started trading, I would have been a buy and a sell already. Buys and sells. Confused as...
You would have took like 5 trades already.
Would have lost both, paid in commission. Had to overload my mental like Sam was talking about. You know, it's worth it. Just save your mental energy.
Yeah,
Save it
I
up.
don't know. That's like the easiest way I can explain that. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just like, why would you take a trade within a choppy range when you know it's gonna be a choppy move? Like, even if you're right about the direction of price, like, is it really worth to sit there in that drawdown?
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, no. It's like, why you only want to take the A+ setups.
And you know that will drain yourself mentally too.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, that's really good. The fact that we just broke the 15 high there is really good because that most likely stopped out most of the sellers that jumped early here. Because remember, this was the only stop the market gave you. Otherwise, you had to use, and gang, we've learned this, right? Through, we've got hit with this, right? And we learned our lesson there to any time where this is the case, where you're only getting this stop loss and no other one. Man, if you've got that stop loss, guess who else has it? Every other retail trader. And guess who knows that all stops are sitting there? Right? Market's going to come up, tap those sellers out, and then once it rebreaks the low, that's typically when it can drive after collecting all those orders. So just waiting on the 15 in that case really has taught us a lot and also saved us from entering in on this move and getting tapped in and boom, right, getting tapped right back out. We've been there, we've done that. The most important thing is we learned from it and we figured out this whole 15-minute structure when it comes to the 4-hour presenting something like that to us. Yeah, so now we just wait. Yep. Yep. There you go. So you take those sells there, you keep stops right where that white line was. Now, you know, you're either moving the stops, right? Or you took a, what we like to call just a unnecessary loss, you know, that may have been able to be avoided. Oh, damn. Don't move your stops anymore. Just keep them where they are at. Just don't move them. Yeah, the higher we go, the better. The higher we go, the better, because this is a 4-hour top wick. As long as we respect the highs up here at 2003, at any point this candle can drive down. So we're going to look for a resistance, right? And once we find that, that's going to be our cue. Don't move the stops. Give us our daily bread. Amen. Amen. Hey, 2,800 people here. Can we crack 3,000? I think that would be a record high, right? 3,000?
Oh.
Go tell your grandma. Tell your friends. Tell your cousins, your uncles, your sisters, your brothers. Hide your kids. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know.
Shiro, recruit all the people from Wakanda. Get them in here ASAP. Yeah. Hide your grandpa. Oh, man. Awesome. Yeah, the higher the better. Somewhere in this overall range is where you're going to see, or where you're likely to see, a resistance formed. Somewhere in this overall range here. And then our Q is when we close back below here. All right, that's when we can look to fill the wick now in the 4-hour.
Yeah, it's looking real good.
Grandma, let's go. Wake up. Rafi, tell everyone in Bali, plug in.
Everybody over here, bro. Just come in and eat. Come and eat with us.
Oh, nice. Look at this. Beautiful. So starting to reject this area here. So this is going to be our area in which we're looking at. So if we can get a resistance on the next 15, right? We're leading into 9:30 here, gang. So this candle is going to close here in 43 seconds. If we can get 9:15 to close looking like this, then it's on like Donkey Kong here today. 9:30 strategy. So that's what we want to see here on the, we want to see, I don't care how this candle closes. It can close above, below, top wick, no top wick. I'm not going to take any buys. I want to see if we're going to get a fake out right here. And then look to take my sells moving down here when the volume comes in. Grandma, you're missing the time to eat live stream. By the way, gang, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join the Discord here. We got a free Discord, lovely community here as well. So you're in good hands, man. If you guys need help trading Asia, London, New York, whatever, there's a lot of people in there. So awesome. So we did get a closure. It closed above. Looks good. I'm really hoping to see a move up. Even a wick fill here would be awesome. And what that will do is that will activate buyers here and then come back down, set us up for our 15-minute onion, 30-minute celery, 1 hour breakout, 4 hour breakout, and a wick fill for volume here. So patience, my friends, patience. Let it come to us.
Waited, yeah.
Man, I never realized trading could be so relaxing. I was always jumping in too quick. Thank you, guys. Yeah, good stuff, Ross. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Grandmom, time to eat. Wake up.
Oh, breakfast.
Someone yelling at their grandma right now to like the stream.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Bring out the whole ocean.
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
Oh, man. Thank you, guys. Oh, nice. 3 weeks to... Oh, cool. Oh, nice. 3 weeks. You passed phase 1 and phase 2. Now fully funded. God bless. Hey, let's go. Big W in the chat. Congratulations. Major, major victory there.
Yo,
Awesome.
Freaking go.
Will the boot camp be beginner friendly? It will. Yeah, especially the first day will be beginner friendly. Yep. We'll move into a little bit more complex ideas as we go. W, yeah, congratulations, fully funded. If you guys have passed past phase 1, phase 2s, put it in the Discord here so we can see. We honestly want to celebrate your success, man. We want to see who's out here winning. So you guys can put it right here in the prop firm. Oh, nice. Look at this. Oh, amen. Yeah, man, this is all this week here. Really good, really good. Proud of you guys, man. Proud of you guys. Awesome. Congrats, Jonathan. Yeah, let us know who you are. We want to celebrate you. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Yeah, shout out everyone who's passed funded accounts. That's a great accomplishment.
Yeah,
Happy for all of you.
Being made. A lot of lives being changed.
Heck yeah.
Not only for you, but for the people that are around you as well, for the people that are passing challenges.
Yeah. You're in drawdown on your challenge? Hey, no worries, brother. You can get that right back up. Right? Change the mindset. Tell you what the timing of the boot camp will be. So, boys, correct me if I'm wrong, but 8 a.m. to 11, right? Eastern?
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this weekend.
Yes, sir.
Word. Yep, those are the times.
Excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be dope.
All right. Yeah, we may run until more like 12 too, just in case we take a little bit longer. So just prepare for like 8 to 12, I would say, Eastern. Stay right here, Gold. Don't move. 10 minutes. Just chill. Let's see how our 15 candles looking. Awesome. Lovely. How do you get access to the bootcamp? You can register. By the way, gang, today's the last day to register because we got to send emails out here today and tomorrow. So there will be a registration link there in the chat in just a moment. George VDM W. Oh, what happened with George? Oh, I gotta look up here on the chat. Hey, Joe. Oh, George with the dono. Thank you, George. You didn't have to do that, man. Appreciate you, big dog. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, hang tight for us here. George with the dono, baby. Are the streams daily? Yeah, every day. Monday through Friday we're here. What's the best lot size for a 50K funded account? I would risk 1 to 2% per trade. So just do the math on it. 1 to 2%. Yeah, I would on a 50K account, I think I would only risk about $500 to $1,000 on that per trade. Yeah, but not this Friday. Yep. Go ahead, bro.
Someone says, as someone who plays poker / gambles, was it hard to get over or switch that gambler mentality to trade? And so, like, for poker, specifically poker, not blackjack, not like roulette, right? Because I consider all those things gambling. But poker, you can put the odds in your favor. So I don't really look at it as like gambling. I just look at it as a game of probabilities, just like I would with trading, right? You have, with trading, your 82% or 83, 84, whatever percent win rate setups, just like your hands that you can play in poker, right? Like if you get dealt pocket aces, pocket kings, pocket queens, those are all 80% or higher chance that you're gonna win before you even see anything happen with those hands. So what would you naturally do? You'd want to just play those hands, just like with trading. You only want to play the good setups that you know you have a high win rate on.
Bingo.
And that's just how I see it. It's just like yeah, probabilities. Yeah. Just like if you have a wheel you could spin, you got 80% of the wheel is red, 20% of it is green. If you were to bet on what side the wheel is going to land, you probably want to bet on 80% because it's more likely going to land on there. Right? And then if you run that probabilities through 10, 15, 20, and then you get to 100, 500 times, right? You can really get a sample size and, you know kind of what to expect, right? Because it's not guaranteed that you win.
Yeah. No guarantee, man. Just probability. Don't you move here. Don't you move. Stay right there.
Stay.
Probability.
Real progress, yeah. So, like, that is the thing. There is like a blind in poker, right? But if you play a cash game of poker, that is the most like what do you call it? Like comparable thing to trading, right? But like, yeah, obviously like with the blinds and everything, like, you know, when you're big blind. But like 9 times out of 10, if the people are gonna call, then I don't know, just check.
Yep.
Right, and yeah.
No, I love that, man. I love that. And we talked about this yesterday, I believe, but you know, there's a fine line between gambling and being a professional in trading. Very, very fine line. And that has to do with a system, right? That has to do with a playbook. And the minute you go against the playbook and break the rules, you move over to that gambling side. And you don't want to do that. You know, you want, again, this is a probability game. So you want to stick with your system and let those probabilities win the year for you, right? Let the probabilities win the month and win the year. Don't get too caught up on trying to win trades every day. Just get really, really focused on sticking to a system that works for you. And if you can do that, man, you're going to be A-okay. Just give it some time and it'll all work out. And you'll also sort out your emotions in that process, because what a playbook does is it allows you to get rid of those emotions a little bit, right? And trade on more of like a systematic approach to the market. And if you can trust in the data, then, and your system provides good data, good winning strategy, then you just show up every day and focus on following the plan, right? Through that, you will win. All we have done, our record is what, 109 wins this year, 31 losses, 10 break evens. All we have done was follow the plan. That's it. We've never really tried to force any trades out of the market. We've never really tried to, you know, earn money back. We have just day in and day out, followed our playbook, followed our plan, and those are the results you can expect. You know, let the data do the work for you. Let the playbook do the work for you.
Yeah, and I think that's so important too. And like, since we're talking about gambling, it's everything stays the same day in, day out. We don't one day say, oh, well, this setup looks good, we're about to double down, right? It just all stays the same the whole way through.
Yeah.
Just let the probabilities play out for our favor when we have our edge in the market.
Yeah, like yesterday, man, we were obviously, we knew price would move bullish here, right? After getting a closer. The only thing we needed was that bottom wick, but we didn't get it, right? So us not waiting. Now, I'm not saying it's gambling, because someone else has a system and a approach to the market where this allows them to get in. But according to the data that I have collected, right, as an individual trader, and the data that I have seen work for me, I need to see a bottom wick. Yes, I knew price would, almost certain that price would move up, but without that bottom wick, it puts me in the category of a gambler and not a professional, if that makes sense. So it's not about this move. The real W here for me yesterday, or was that yesterday maybe, was following my plan and not getting FOMO, not getting greed, not losing myself and getting emotionally hijacked through this move up. Just understanding that, hey, the system didn't allow me to get in. That's it. That's it.
Literally. You got to care more about following your plan than making money.
Geez, Louise, Xander, calm it down, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. My guy. Who wants to play poker over the holiday? The big dono, man. Xander. All you guys coming in. 3,000 people were watching. Yeah, I've seen that. Told you guys, ask and you shall receive. Right? Bring awareness to it and it shall happen. So, wow, we've never broken the daily low there. Never broke that daily low yet. Two minutes here, 2 minutes. Want to see a closure below that support level. What's your highest loss? 20,000 in one day. 20,000. Do you have a playbook? Journal? Yeah, we do. We do. We also have a video of it on YouTube that you could check out. I think it's better than the journal itself. You really get a good understanding. All right, awesome. Yeah, we got 2 minutes here, chat. So lock it in. We looking like we may get a 15-minute onion. 15-minute resistance form, 30-minute celery play, 1 hour and a 4-hour breakout here with a wick to fill during high times of volume. So if we do go ahead and break that 30-minute low, I will have sell stops right in that area once this candle closes. I need a little bit of a top wick on the next candle, and then yeah, entry on the break of the low. Yeah, let's go ahead and set all this up here. Yeah, we got a move here on our hand. If we can, if this really plays out here, we got a pretty decent move on our hands here. Yeah, if you close above, it may have other plans back in the range, but we'll see what happens. 25 seconds. All right, lovely, lovely, lovely. So let's see if we can get a top wick here, and then we'll have sell stops on the break of the lows there. Give us a little bit of a top wick here, gold.
What are you doing? Current lows or previous lows?
Yeah, chat. I'm gonna do previous 30-minute lows there. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here, chat. Sell stop on gold. So we did close below. We got a 30-minute celery. Stops are gonna be kept above the previous candle high there. If we can make a top wick, great. But once we break the low, you should see a pretty strong move down. Yeah, we got a pretty decent wick to fill. I think it's about a 17, about a 20, 18, 19 pip wick fill here as well.
Looks clean.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking at here. Sell stops on gold. Yeah, gonna look to probably go break even around the wick fill here, and probably close partials down here at the support level, and then see if we can get the rest of it to just run. Yeah, right around here. Cool. That's the trade. 15-minute onion. We're waiting for the break of those lows though on the 30-minute. You have a 30-minute celery. You have a 1 hour and a 4-hour breakout here. So everything's pretty much pointing in our direction. So let's see if we can make a top wick on the 30 and then break the lows here. So that activates all the buyers there. So we'll see if we can get a break of the lows now. We should have a lot of volume coming in though. That's for sure. Hopefully it's gonna move down, right? So it can activate us and we can take our trade. GJ, oh, not looking pretty. Not looking pretty at all on pound yen. Let's go ahead and take a look at NAS 100. Oh, nice bleeder here. Oh yeah. Nice. Nasdaq bleeder. All right, now we just wait. Haven't really had a 930 celery in quite some time, so.
Oh, shout out to all 3,000. We here.
Hey, 3,000 in the house.
Shout out, y'all.
Welcome, welcome in. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome, man. Give it a like. Yeah, we'll see if we can get activated here. Sell stops on the break of the 30-minute lows there. Do you have any courses? Yep, right here. Yeah, this is the course right here, my man. All free. Free live streams. Free lives. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hours should, yeah. So it's the break of the 4 hour low, 1 hour low, previous 30 low. So yeah, if we do break this low, it should come down. Yep. And if not, it's whatever. Beautiful Nas trade. Yeah, anyone in sells here is... Oh, damn. Oh, that was GJ. Wow. Look at this rocket ship. Yeah, I'm excited about trading this pair next year, man. Yeah, we're trying to see a nice, beautiful candle like that on gold here, too. Hey, going ham on the music. How long have I been trading? I've been trading since 2019. Yeah, so 2019. If it breaks the previous highs, will I delete? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, what I like about, even though we did have a bullish closure, I like that we closed below that main support there. So we're still hanging out underneath the level to support here. So this could just be your retest. And then the break of the lows can be the driver here for the 4 hour. Yeah, let's see. 9:30, we got volume, so let's see which way we go. Oh, C4, I'll look. Yeah, CNBC. Definitely, definitely. Oh, are we breaking the highs here? Oh, broke those highs. Let's see how we react after breaking the highs. Are we going to keep moving, or are we going to, if we keep moving here, we'll delete, and then, yeah, we'll revisit this. Let's see that 15. Yeah, we broke the 15 highs there. Let's see what happens right here. We're going to keep pumping up. Yeah, we're going to delete this, chat. Gonna delete the sell stops and hold off. Price may want to come up to make a top wick on that 830 candle here. Right here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, delete the sell stops. Delete. TTD. Oh, wow. Yeah, 9:30 pushing us up now. Yeah. Barcode activated. Barcode activated. So that's why we talked about, remember about how this resistance can be formed at any point here. Any point. Yeah, we did close below though. So we did close below. If we would have closed back above, then yeah, I probably would have considered this a fake out. But it looks like we closed below it. So yeah, that was the idea for the celery play there. Yeah, that's true, AB Mike. Yeah, every now and then a home run comes, right? Nice home run. Yeah, so deleted sell stops there after breaking the high pretty aggressively, and we'll have to wait here now. So we're back in this range, overall choppy range here. So yeah, we never did break the daily low. So that's one thing there too. Never broke it.
Or the 4-hour low.
Yeah. Yeah, you may have a 4-hour fake out here, if anything. 1 hour, 4 hour. Doo-doo. Time to delete. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so gave look at that. We gave the candle a top wick there. So 30-minute 8:30 candle. Some of you guys were talking about it earlier, no top wick. There you go. Another prime example of candles going up and coming back to give certain candles a top wick. So another example of that happening. Wick maker. Yeah, we have more news coming, don't we?
Yeah, 10.
10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll wait. Time TTW. Time to wait. Time to wait some more. Yeah, so that's why we wait for, we didn't really jump on that first initial move down here because, you got to wait. You got to wait for familiar price action. And we know that the 4-hour candle tends to do that at times. It just looks good on the 4-hour, rolls bearish, activates a lot of sellers, and then comes back up and doesn't make the move. So that's why we always wait on it, man. Always wait on familiar price action. The trade right there, that 30-minute trade, would have been valid only if we broke the low, right? Without breaking the low, it's not valid. So it has to break the low. That's why our sell stops were sitting below that low, because if it respects it, then it's going to most likely move up, which you're seeing that happen right now. And that means that the 4-hour is not done creating its top wick. Yep. 1-hour celery, yeah, maybe. Love seeing other guys trade. Hey, Ricky Bobby, the Raccoon Slayer. What a name. I like that. I like that name, man. Ricky Bobby, the Raccoon Slayer. Let's go. Good to have you here, man. Good to have all 3,000 plus of y'all here today.
So, man, I remember when this was at like 5 people.
Yeah, man.
Awesome, sick.
I remember at one point I would look and I'd be like, all right, 30 people here. Let's get the breakdown going, baby. Yeah, 30 people, man. But we've been saying the same thing since day one. Same exact things have been coming out of our mouths since day one. Nothing has really switched up.
You're not.
Poor raccoons. Them dang raccoons. Yeah, that would be hilarious. The whole room was filled with 3,000 of you guys. We hit TP, everyone's like, yeah.
Dude, it's like on the odds are on stage.
Rock them. It's like a earthquake.
That'd be a loud applause if we were all together.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man. So yeah, price had different directions here for different ideas here for 9:30. That's no big deal. No big deal at all. We'll see how we operate here on the 1 hour. 1 hour highs are still being respected. 30-minute did we did get a top wick on that previous 30 there. So if we do end up driving back down and actually getting a 1 hour celery, I think that's going to be the play of the day. Can we get the new Discord link? Yes. Just hit exclamation point Discord. I promise no raccoons get hurt. Yep. The reason for the sell stops there was a simple 4-hour resistance, a 1 hour breakout, a 30-minute celery, and the potential for a 15-minute resistance formed for price to move down. So that trade made total sense if we had gotten activated, if price broke the lows. That would have been a beautiful playbook setup. But again, price had different plans here for 9:30, and we just ended up moving up. Moving on up. Oh, yeah, at 9:30 with a 4-hour wick fill. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised that didn't actually play out.
Yeah, facts.
I might be waiting for 10 a.m. That's the only reason I see why I would not.
10 a.m. 10 a.m. Is that when the news is coming out at 10?
Yeah, we have another.
Okay, cool. Red folder too here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we got a 15 minutes, I guess, till then. So yeah, I guess we'll be sitting around waiting a bit. Let's see the closure on the 15 here. So yeah, we closed right at a resistance here on the 15. So we're just trapped at this point, right? This whole range right here, that is going to be a no trade range for me, for the most part here. Not going to really be interested in much within this range here. Yeah. Andreas. Where's Joey Stu? Is Joey Stu in the chat? Where's he at? Where's brother Joe?
Yeah, I was gonna ask that a minute ago.
Yeah. Yo, Rafi, those walls sweating? Oh, he is? Those walls sweating over there?
No, I have the AC on.
Oh,
so
okay.
I keep turning it on, turn it off. It gets to go all the time. So, nah, not yet.
Not today.
At night, they don't. During the day, they do.
During the day. During the day.
It gets really hot.
I'm working as a scuba diving pizza delivery man while watching Nick stream. Yeah, give me a sec. I'm gonna take this hoodie off. It's getting hot in here.
He's heating up.
Yo, PM Magnifico, bro. Your soul will thank you for that if that's what you're gonna do. Like, that's fire right there. Not just your body. Body and soul will thank you for that. I mean, you're gonna do everything 1 hour? Like, the one I do. That's a daily practice of mine. Every morning and every night before I go to bed, I get my meditation done. I get an hour in the morning and 30 minutes before I go to bed.
If the numbers are positive for USD today, why is gold moving up? So you did see the initial move down with the unemployment claims at 8:30 with that news release. And so from there on, we're just kind of letting the price action play itself out. But what I will say is the candle will still be within the range, but if you see this 15-minute candle form a resistance, then that would also correlate with the news. If we were going to see green numbers, if we were to see a consumer sentiment report come out better than expected, that would be good for the US dollar. And what do we know? Good for the US dollar, bad for gold. So gold would come down if we see green numbers. But that might be why gold has not came down just yet, right? Because we did have one report come out, right? We did see an initial move down, and so far we kind of just pulled back, and now we're waiting for the other news report to come out. So we'll see. So far, like price has done nothing. So we just wait for it to close outside the range, or we did close outside the range. There was a chance that we had a setup though, but price just came back up in the range.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, so then we'll see. Maybe it'll come back down again. Maybe it'll go up. Maybe their numbers will come out red.
Red numbers. Red 57. Is that Mountain Valley spring water? The best water in the game? It is. It is, actually. About to go get me another one out the fridge. Yeah. Back in the range here now. So, yeah, we'll see how news comes out. Will we finally be able to close above 2003, or will we come back down?
We did drop down. We did close bearish on the last 4-hour candle.
Yep.
This one still has 3 hours to go, so you know.
Yeah, that's true. And as long as we respect that high, right, we could still be bearish overall here. We're just continuing up, right? There's a lot of orders that have been activated here, buyers, sellers, all that. So plus news coming in. So news may start to drive the 4-hour candle back down, because as long as the high is respected, which is this the high we're talking about, then at any point this candle right here can drive all the way back down, break the lows, and move bearish here. So we'll see where the news push goes, and then that'll give us some good understanding about the direction here. Just I'm hungry. You hungry? I'm Nick. How you doing?
Andreas, good question. When the sun is out and ice cream melts, does that mean you're gonna get a sunburn too?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Consumer sentiment is a weak red folder. Yeah, see, like, yeah, I like agree with that, right? Because like I feel like people see red folder news sometimes and they expect like big, massive move, huge print, right? Like that's only gonna happen with a couple news events.
Starving.
Yeah, someone starving. Check Nas. Oh.
Oh yeah, what did happen here?
Oh.
Oh damn. Wow, look at that rejection. Golly.
Yeah, candle never had a bottom wick. It wanted one.
There you go.
That's
there is the bottom wick.
That's why we don't trade with. Yeah.
Damn. That's the bottom wick.
You look at this.
Wake up. Hello. Yeah, wow. Crazy here. Nasdaq Casino word. Yeah, man. What a move. I mean, hey, the closure was good, but wow, what a rejection. It looks like a middle finger. Oh, yeah. Imagine buying the top there. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, C4. What in a googly moogly? Fief and Fife and Farf and Nugan. You're mad for that. You're mad for that. Oh, yeah. So we wait. Now we wait. News coming out here in 4 minutes. So waiting game here since London. I came here on the live stream today dancing. I was like, we about to get into a move real quick here today. Yeah, it's been a waiting game here for the New York session.
Yeah, we better go back to back real quick.
Back to back. I'm not leaving. Oh, man. Took the bleeder on Naz. Oh, nice. Good job, bro. 60 pips on that? Oh, lovely. Oh, nice. Yeah, that was a drastic move down. Look at this. I want to see what that looked like on the 15. Damn. Sheesh. Just rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. GJ, what do I think? Let's take a look.
Yeah,
Oh,
gotta
yeah.
trade. I agree with that 100%. We have all the perfect tools and defense to trade Nasdaq 100%.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we in that next year.
Yeah, GJ doesn't look bad here. You got a wick to fill here. 9:30 might do it. I mean, we only got 3 minutes left here. You may see a drive, but yeah, you need a closure below here. So if you can pull back, it's not a bad idea to have a wick fill and then come down to like 186, 200 here. But this candle looks like it's either gonna pull back and give you a nice move or close a no bottom wick here. About to sell right here. Go for it. Go for it.
Let it rip.
Let it rip, tater chip.
Tater chip. I said it out loud and then I heard you say it in my head. So I had to say it. Let it rip.
Gold has the longest wick you've ever seen?
Bruh.
Bruh. It's for us. Yeah. Let it rip, chocolate chip. Oh. So you guys, Rafi, you coming? When are you coming back to the U.S.? Is that next week, or are you doing that in the new year?
I'm flying out. No, I'm flying out on Tuesday.
On
So, like,
Tuesday.
the
Oh, okay,
28th.
cool. Oh, nice, dude. And you're flying into where?
LA.
Oh, LA. You're going. Oh, so
Yeah,
what are you going?
going
LA
to
and
LA.
then back towards your
Well,
hometown?
no, I stopped there. And we're gonna sleep there for the night, and then we're gonna fly to Kansas City, and we just drive from Kansas City to
Nice.
Des Moines, Iowa.
Des Moines,
it's like
baby.
2 hours, 2.5. Yep.
Nice,
be cold.
nice. Yeah, a little different than Bali. Just
Yeah,
a little
definitely.
switch up.
Definitely.
Rafi got me quick.
How long's that flight to Cali?
Like 18, 19 hours. We stop in Taiwan for a few hours and then go from Taiwan to LA.
Yeah, that's a flight.
Not so bad. Yeah.
Nah, I bet you'll appreciate the like cooler weather,
cold.
though, especially like with all your well sweating and all that.
Yeah, John
Yeah,
and
bro,
Joe
I'm ready for a little bit of that.
John and Joe are dipping out of Florida here. They're dipping on me for a little bit, going back to the cold. They're taking like a 2 or 3 week trip back to New York. But I'm not going.
Yeah,
I'm not leaving.
Appreciate the weather right now. You won't hear me saying the same thing in January, February. I'll be like,
February come in.
I'm tired
Damn.
of this, bro.
Damn.
You'll be seeing my pictures in the snow.
Yeah. You'll be seeing the White House
Yeah.
behind me with the windows frosted over.
It's getting cold outside.
You know, the funny thing is that I don't have anything for the cold weather. Like, before I came here, I got rid of everything, right? So everything that you have here is like, you know, tropical clothing. So that's going to be interesting.
Yeah, you're gonna have to re-up on some winter clothes, man. You're gonna have to do
Yeah.
that in LA.
I
All
don't know.
right.
No, I won't have time because I arrived like at 10 p.m. and then my flight next morning leaves like around 10 a.m.
Yeah, it's gonna be
So,
tough.
Probably when I get back to Des Moines, I'll probably just get some stuff.
All right, let's see how did numbers come out here on
No
gold.
change.
Nothing at all.
Yeah, so.
So, look, man, I think so the 1 hour,
Ranging.
yeah, 1 hour is just in a barcode here. That's it. Same thing with the 30, 15 minute looks good. No top wick on there though. 4 hour looks good to continue driving here, but there's no confirmation just yet for us to enter positions. So let's see where the news goes here, and if you start breaking lows, then you should have a nice direction. We may scratch this area here and look towards the break of the lows here. 96. Yeah, 4 hour looks good to flip and break the low now. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, there's really no way for us to call this a high A+ setup here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stops are massive, right? Stops are massive. Not a A+ setup. It's doing what we want it to do direction wise, but not a A+ setup here. Impulse, but where do we keep the stops? That's the question. You know, that's the question that comes in here. So yes, can we you know, is there a high probability we're gonna drive down here? Absolutely. But yeah, I wouldn't say there's an A+ setup here.
Like you had that 15-minute candle close bearish, but like, bro, it's still within the range. It's like weak candle,
Yeah.
15-minute candle. Didn't even make a top wick before it left either. It's just pushing down.
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually thinking if the 15 gave us a top wick, we could have did something there, but the news just pushed us down there.
Yeah.
Daily flip. We're gonna
Yeah,
break
I mean, we
these
called,
lows.
yeah, called it out though, like with
Yep.
I don't know, like what, 10 minutes ago, talking about that 4-hour candle.
Yeah, we spoke our minds. It's up to you guys to digest it and do what you feel is best. You know, if you guys like the sells here, do it. If not, don't. But no A+ setup here for me. I can't find anything. If I was to write this up on the board here, I don't even know what to put this as, right? So there's nothing. If I can't fill this out properly, then it's not my trade. No impulse screw? Yeah. Impulse, please? All right, let's do it. No, I'm just kidding. You guys were ready.
Yeah, some of you guys are starving. You guys are like, "But why is gold not coming down? I thought you said it would come down." Just tighten up, tighten up. Let the news come out. Give it a second.
If I said, all right, we'll take an impulse sell, who's gonna do this with me? I'll do it
Maybe
with
if we
you.
had, like CPI.
I'll do it.
All right, chill. That
maybe
wasn't the answer
yeah.
I was looking for now. Thought you guys would be like, no, Nick, no,
Ride or
you're
die.
breaking your plan.
Everyone's like me.
Oh, man. Not me, not me.
Everyone
Awesome.
thinks-
We already did.
Yeah, nah.
We're all
that-
joking, right?
yeah.
Oh yeah, 100%. No, I don't like impulse. It's like I remember we used to talk about it a lot on the stream and like in the beginning and why we don't take it, and it's hard to manage risk sometimes if you're taking an impulsive trade, right? Because your stops are sometimes super huge. It's
Yep.
like what are you gonna do? Like if the candle say starts pulling back on you in the trade and you have current candle stops, but the current candle stops are like 40 pips, like you could just close the trade early and you know it could still play out on you. So it's just like not worth it. Preserving the mental.
Yeah. And you know what sucks? Like a lot of, if you got into sells here and then you go, you see all this and then it drives, you're like punching yourself, like you're punching the air right now. And I remember I would do that. I would be like, nah, Raja, he don't know what he's talking about here. I get in the trade. He's over here giggling, talking with his boys on the Zoom. I'm over here sitting in drawdown. And then, once I get stopped out, price just bleeds. All right. Some of you guys may be in that position today. And I think, damn, man, like, and then you know what? He'll get a closure, take a sell, beautiful move, and I'll be out of luck there because I put all my risk on the line for that one trade that didn't even make sense to begin with. So that's why I always just wait for A+ setups now. You don't want to waste them bullets.
Yeah, impulse entries are 50-50s, right? We don't want to take 50-50s. We want the probabilities in our favor.
50-50
Trying
sound
to
like
get you're trying to get into a you see Raj answers the phone. Hold on, I need to take this call. Starts talking. You like panicking. Don't worry about it.
yo.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. I'm over here punching the air.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, chat. Shout out to all you guys here. We're 3 XS deep at this point since the London sesh, man.
Yeesh.
Yeah, man. They ain't built like this.
So what time did you go to sleep?
Come on, bro. Oh, last night?
Yeah.
I went to bed normal
I
time.
know you didn't sleep after.
Normal time, brother.
Oh, what? 10?
10. I think it was like 10, 10:15, 10:30, somewhere around there.
Oh really? You actually? I thought you were. Nah, you cap, bro. You've been up all night.
No, I went to sleep, but then after the London, I didn't go to bed after the London. I stayed up, but before that, I
More
did.
routine
I went to bed at like 10 p.m. and then
Got back up.
yeah,
Yeah,
got
see, I
up
did
and-
the opposite.
When did you stream London? Till
what time did
Like
we get off?
quarter to
3:30.
3:30, 3:45. Yeah,
No, it was definitely it was like closer to 4.
yeah.
Honestly,
it was.
bro, I only like being at London for like pre-London and London Open, so like 2 and 3 a.m.
Yeah, 3 a.m.
yeah,
was
I'm-
good. It was the push.
Yeah.
Yeah, by 3:30, I think we knew it was like
Yeah.
pulling back. You can see it there
Yeah.
on that wick, made a nice wick.
Yep. Yeah, I think we had that. Yeah, this 15-minute drove down there. Once we went back into the range, that was pretty much all we needed to see. So yeah, 4 hour doing the job here, but nothing there for us.
Landon, that's funny.
People contemplate. Yo, that was me, bro. Honey, I blew another account, but Raja's up 200 pips here, man.
Honey,
Why didn't you listen to him? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Something took over. Yeah. Emotional hijack, man. Honey, you don't get it. You don't get
your
it.
girl's like, good morning, honey. How many trades did you or how was trading today? And you're like, no trades.
Meanwhile, I took like
sweating your
four,
account.
meanwhile I took 14.
Yeah.
How's trading going today, babe? Awesome. Yeah,
Okay.
really good. I mean, I'm really getting the hang of this here, babe. I really think we're gonna do very, very well in our future, man. It's going great. Absolutely incredible. I already blew 2 accounts that day. Good times. Good times.
For real.
First time on the live stream. Oh, nice. Why can't love your content? Hey, nice Matt. Welcome, man. Why can't I get my charts to look like yours? I've got gold up on Oanda, same time frame, but does not match. Interesting. That I am not too sure. But there are some very, very smart people here in the chat that maybe they may know. Maybe they know why that's happening. I don't know. If you're on Oanda, it should read the same. But welcome, man. Welcome. Oh, look at this. Breaking daily lows. Let's go. Let's go. So breaking the daily lows now here. We discussed this earlier a bit on how this candle can close after it didn't break the high, right? We filled the wick and just drove back down. So 4 hour playing out nice. 1 hour, I guess 1 hour celery here. 30-minute, you know, driving down here from the news. And yeah, if you get a close below, I think it's pretty solid. Nice.
10:30 it is. Or
Wow.
9, yeah, 10:30. Yeah.
Yeah, 10:30. It's 4:10 a.m. Oh my goodness. You must be in Asia or Australia. Where you at, Rashawn? Call it night soon? Yeah, it's getting late for you. You guys are living in the future. Sheesh.
Seriously.
It won't be 4 a.m. for me for a long time. There's your impulse entry on the break of the low. Who took it? First time watching the stream. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Oh, nice. Some of you guys took the impulse. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Yeah, we got news driving us down here. 4 hours looking beautiful. Yeah, we wanted to see this happen on the break of that 9:30 candle. That would have been much better according to our playbook. Yeah, and if this 15, I was thinking about if the 15 had given us a top wick, then re-entering on the break of the lows there. But yeah, it's a 15-minute bleeder. Damn, 90 pips. Sheesh.
Even with the news coming out as expected too, like
yeah.
I mean, it wasn't a crazy fast move or anything.
Yeah. Someone asked how come gold is bullish. It really wasn't, right? It was just making the top wick there, right? We talked about as long as this high respects the previous candle high, at any time, any moment that thing could drive down. So, yeah, we weren't really bullish. We were just kind of making a top wick. It looked like we were bullish on the 15, but we were really just making a top wick here for the 4 hour chart or 4 hour candle.
Yup.
Goldie. She like to move.
She like to move. Enjoy Thanksgiving. Oh, Ricky Bobby, you too, man. You too, brother. Shake and bake, Ricky Bobby. Yeah, next 15, no bueno.
Correct, Sandman. This is the part of my trading I work on. No FOMO. Hell yeah. Y'all want to work on not having FOMO? Right here. Sit, watching these candles move. And don't get any FOMO. Just watch them. Work on developing that skill.
It's a skill. No trade today? We took one trade. We took that in London. So yeah, no trade yet on New York. No. Yeah, we got one trade in today, but not in New York.
London's been blessing up lately.
Yeah. Entry was just a little complicated. That's true. That's true. When something's a little complicated, you just step back and you let the move go, right? You let price go. It's like looking at a big ferocious wave and it's like, this one looks a little too crazy, you know? Just sit the wave out. Just wait for the next one to come in. Never traded Forex. Oh, gonna make a new account. Nice. Start with 1K. Awesome. Awesome. Good luck to you, my friend, Michael. What are you gonna cook for Thanksgiving? I'm not cooking anything. I'm just going and I'm going to the party. Steaks. What's this turkey I hear of? Where the steaks at? Hey, I got my kids eating steaks now, man. Little Maverick, 1-year-old, just eating ground beef and steaks. Dude's got traps already. Why not sell here?
Hands ripped.
Yeah, I don't know. Where is your stop? Where's your stop? Oh, no stop November. I forgot. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we could have taken this for no stop November. That would have been good. Yeah, you need a stop loss. You know, where's your, if you enter here, where's your stops going to be?
70 pips up there.
Yeah, way up here. That's the only logical stop. I mean, you could put your stop anywhere, but where's the most logical stop at this point? 95 pips up. So, not going to happen for me.
No bueno.
Nah.
Stops on this bleeder would have been an 8 or 9 EMA or 10. Oh, nice. Yeah, if you're using EMAs, maybe you had a something there. What EMA did I think I used to use the 8 moving average. 8, I think it was. Yeah, so don't count yourself out yet. You may get a pullback on this 30. And we may have a new wick fill in this FVG here. This clean traffic FVG. There's Green. What's up, Green?
Greenery.
Taking advantage of this FVG here.
Yo, Green, you ready for Thanksgiving, bro?
Green's ready for that FVG.
Facts.
Bro, I'm getting hungry. It's time to eat. Too much turkey talk. Bringing up steaks and...
Yo, facts, man.
Man, we always get caught up in this food talk here.
Always. I don't know how.
We love it.
We love it.
Yeah.
Let's see what GJ did. Nothing here. Let's go take a look at Nasdaq after that mega rejection. Oh, wow. Damn. Sheesh. Does anyone go fishing? Every day in the markets. But yeah, trading is a lot like fishing, I would say. That's a good comparison.
I used to go a lot.
Yeah. Early Christmas for me. Forgot to delete the sell stops. Let's go.
Oh, beautiful.
Let's go.
Who said that? That's hilarious.
Hey, congrats. Whatever gets the job done.
Not have it stop.
Yo, yeah.
Either way, no matter what stop you had, I think you're surviving.
Yeah, it would
Things
just going straight down.
Drove down, yeah.
Well, I mean, if you had sell stops from the sell stops we had.
Yeah, right here.
Oh wait.
You wouldn't have got entered. Yeah, your stop loss would have just been like in the middle of the current candle.
Yeah, it would have been right
so
here.
You'd have just been chilling, straight profit.
Yeah, it wouldn't have got hit. Big vibes.
60 pips, yeah.
Big motion.
Early Christmas. That's at Thanksgiving. Church is giving you.
Yeah, so we'll see how we close here in 10 minutes, and then that'll kind of let us know if we're going to part ways here today or if we're going to stick around for a trade.
Need that wick to fill.
I wake up and count my blessings. Oh, nice. Got another one got activated too. Oh, awesome. Free money falling. Woohoo.
That's not a bad strategy. Just like place the stops and then hope for the best type.
Just dip.
Just dip.
Gone. You're gone.
Yeah, just close your eyes.
10 minutes here for a pullback. 10 minutes. What do you consider, GJ, if we closed above? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think GJ looks good if you get a closure above. There's a lot of rejection here, so if you do get an actual candle to close below, then that should indicate volume coming in for the next candle to drive, but we'll see how we close because there's been a lot of rejection here. Lots of rejection.
In that range.
Man, I'm glad we came in for London today.
Yes, sir.
For real.
I needed to eat.
Yeah,
I needed
felt
to eat.
Good. That'll make up for tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, this was tough.
I think it's funny whenever we pull up to a London session chat. So it's like
me at the London.
It's 3 a.m. 9:30. Do we get volume? Or no?
I see in the chat. Yo, you streaming London tomorrow? Oh. John's gonna stream London tomorrow.
Yeah, man. But we have a USD bank holiday, so no streams tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, simplify. You gotta simplify it, man. You gotta simplify the trading. Yeah. Gotta simplify it. What was your London trade? London, we took a buy. London, we had this range here, and this candle closed above. So we took a buy right somewhere right around here, and we closed up top here. 2001, yeah.
See that? Beautiful.
Yeah, it was off the 30-minute. So this candle ended up moving up, and then the next candle ended up moving up. We closed partials right in this resistance area here, and then price ended up driving back down. FVG getting filled. Yeah, right here.
Where'd you close partials at?
Took a buy to close partials right after the wick. This closure happened like 1 or 2 minutes before the 1 hour close. So closed half on the 1 hour closed, and then closed a half here, and then another half up here, and then the runner got hit in profit. Yeah, I had closed like 75% of the position. Damn, son.
Oh,
Driving.
looking shocked.
15-minute. What's it doing here? Trying to make a move. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and we'll have an answer here.
Thank God there are more days to trade.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Juan Legacy, welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Yes, he does. W day, call it a day. Yeah, we'll see here. Looking like it, right? Looking like we're just gonna drive here.
Yeah. That FEG, bro. The FEG setup.
FVG. Yeah, hey, we were right about the direction.
Though, someone said in the chat though that when you have the FEG, that's where you buy though. So they wouldn't even sell there.
Oh, really?
Hey, apparently, I don't know. Don't quote me. I don't have any idea how that works.
Yeah, somebody
But if
took
it
a
works, it
sell up here, I think. I think I remember someone saying they sold up here. Nice.
Go buy? No, you.
What are we buying? What are we buying, man?
Make me.
Make me buy it.
The only thing I'm ever buying is gold when it closes above the range.
Later. Later.
Longest live stream? Close to 5 hours. Is this really our longest stream?
No way. Nah.
This one's only been 3.5.
Yeah. If we would have let it run from earlier, our longest live stream was 12 hours. Or like 13 hours.
Yeah.
When we streamed all 3 sessions.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we did that in two streams though. Otherwise it would have been 24, almost 24 hours. Like 17, 18 hours. All right, so 3 minutes left here. I doubt I'm going to be taking anything here. We do have a little bit more clean traffic coming down. I have a feeling that this candle most likely will close with no bottom wick here. So I don't think there's anything for us. What I need to see now is some sort of a pullback, right? Got to see a pullback coming in and maybe retest a 96 there before taking more sells. This candle again may close with no bottom wick here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just call it a session and get on with the day. We took a nice trade in London. New York, we were on the money here about the direction and the move itself, but just didn't have a plus setup to get in there, and that's totally fine. So I think that is it, my boys.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, we will hey Lele, we will see you guys in the boot camp.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's true.
Hell yeah, I'll see you guys there.
I'm super excited. I can't wait to see everybody there. Yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones and just be grateful. Yeah. Sam out.
Sam's outie.
Peace, Sam.
Later, boys. Gang.
Yeah, I'm gonna say today's the last day. Today's the last day. Don't wait till tomorrow. Today's the last day to sign up for the bootcamp. I'll see you guys during the bootcamp. Boys, love you all.
All right, brother.
Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving, family.
You too, brother.
Happy
Thank you.
Dog.
Later,
Peace.
gang.
All right, chat. I'm out. W week, W patience and discipline. Be thankful for what you got and stay blessed. I'll catch you guys later. Nick, I'll give you a call later.
All right, brother. Sounds good. All right, man. Nothing really to add to that. We'll see you guys. Just keep in mind, no stream tomorrow. There's a bank holiday and no stream on Friday. We will be doing the boot camp that day. So, Yeah, that's mom and dad. Yep. So this is it. This is gonna be the week. We'll be back next week. For those of you guys who are coming to the boot camp, we will see you there. We're very, very excited. Bring your pens and notepads. It's gonna be a good 3 days together. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a great one. Be careful here today trying to take these sells. I would advise to wait for a pullback before taking any sells here. But great time in London. Shout out to everyone who came to the London sesh here today, and awesome New York session today. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one, and we will see you on Monday. Peace, gang. Later.